sometimes you rent out the place to some people. I'm just tired of this complaint, man. Come here. I'm just tired, man. I'm tired of it. Mikey? Mikey? What's that about you?
Boss, we are coming up from the gate for, eh? We are coming up from the gate for. Step away from the gate, man. We are coming up from the gate for.
Where you coming out?
I don't understand why you are coming up from the gate. Where you come from? At 10 o'clock in the night, you not pass from the gate.
So
that possible?
Wait. Where you coming out?
What means you coming out with a weapon? I have to protect myself. This is my property.
Them kind of people at the agency are rent the place. You just can't let them bring anybody out here. You come down here with a weapon. Look here, anyway. You go in at the bus and wait for me, cause this look like something will forget ugly. So go in at the bus.
Daddy, this man look ugly.
Yes, man, you're right, man. Go on, go wait on me.
You care people come insult me in my place?
It's not your place, boss. You're just renting here.
Yes, but me have a contract. And my renting company that, as a matter of fact, the agency who rent this place is, credible. So I don't understand why you come and come
talk. Credible, but they put anybody here.
What do you mean say anybody here? What are you talking about?
Look here.
What's the problem?
Look here. I've been getting a lot of complaints about this place and this noise here at number 5 here. Check out all the other places there. You don't get no complaint. I ever come here, people don't see me. And after they coming here because everybody is telling me that you guys are here making a lot of noise in the place.
Punse, hold on. Before you send on Punse, just hold on 1 second. You know this man here? Eh? This man come now, come knock on our gate and come talk off his mouth and I say, but we are making nice.
You need to shut up for your mouth. You talk too much.
Punse.
You know who this? You know who is this man?
Punse.
May I ask you one question?
Punse.
Babe, come on, David.
Give me white socks, never make
White socks? Are you a washer or me? You know who is this man?
I say, me don't know him.
2 times now me they ask you the same question. That's why you have to keep your mouth, keep back. You talk too much. You gonna put me in trouble? You look like you want me to get noticed. What is your problem? This man is the landlord, him responsible for the whole building. So even if somebody else in did send come...
Owner, not landlord, owner.
If he even did send one next person come to me here, so are you. You're supposed to stand up and listen when the person have to say you jump down the people them throat like I said.
Look in his hand. Look in his hand. He come out here and with daughter out here come to talk to the man. Look in the hand. See if I know your pot that. Is that your pot cover?
I don't want to shame him. Kind of not need it. Listen to me.
Punse Rita.
Listen.
I mean, I really do
so what can we hear the man sucker you know?
I know some stuff. When you see when couple have problem, you don't shame me in front of the man.
Yes,
you're not supposed to do that.
But you already out here, so they shame me. I am the one who rent this
But
place.
I never know him.
You don't have to know who.
Oh, so
you don't have to
come
know the landlord. Somebody come
oh,
to
so you come big and mighty now. So right now, oh, okay. Okay, the dog start back now. He stop back. The dog stop back. I should have taken a lick in my head.
Punse. Me never know.
Why you carry this out here? You book?
No, because me hear the bang 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 on the gate. So when me hear bang bang bang, me come out and me go bang bang.
Yes, lad. You think somebody will come to rob the place?
Yes, not that. We have no.
All right.
You know, say a lad for a long time, boss it. But anyway, let me tell you something.
Listen to me.
You need to think first before you talk. Think before you put out action. Because a problem you want to put me in. Look more than come give me notice me have to left right. Look here, I want to talk to you, man. Go on inside. Me soon come deal with you. Go on in.
What are we?
My boss,
Yeah, I'm a matter of fact, before you go inside, apologize.
No, that me I do.
Then do it now.
So when you can tap me as just stop me as me.
See, same thing make me so want to get rid of your cause up here talking. Why you can't say I'm sorry and go on in let me talk to the man? You just a chat. And where they say no make no sense. Apologize and go on in. And you know, hey.
My boss.
Apologize and come go on in. Me soon come deal with you.
My boss.
Well, you wait for him to hurry up and say.
My boss, yo. Sorry about that, boss. Not happen again. Yes, sir.
I hope it never happen again.
Me never know, sir, when you, sir. You understand me?
Why are you shouting? You disturb the neighbor.
Look at the difference when you're talking to me, when you're talking to her. I see who
look here, come go on in there, sir.
Go on in, man.
Inside, good. Because me don't want you hear what me I say to the man. Go on in. Come, go on. Don't put me in a trouble.
Give him back the weapon, the so-called weapon.
Take this and go on in. Take it. I warm up. I mean, I know me put myself in this problem. I know the generation I want me come pick up. Sorry about it. I am so sorry.
Yes, just listen, it too much complaint. And I realize how you talk now is not you are the problem. But you need to deal with him. I'm getting a lot of complaints. You don't see me here. Nobody see me here come here
No, it's my first time seeing you.
Alright.
Different from when me carry the money come give out the road or anywhere at your yard or whatever, a little rent money. Me not see you because me not have no problem with
I
you,
don't have
sir.
no reason to come here. Right. But anyway, may I beg you, just address that problem for me. Because if me get one more complaint, that's it. Because I'm getting too much. And I tell him it's the first and the last.
So,
Alright?
what kind of complaint you get, sir?
Listen, we can't get no details. I know why you go say I said, but I've been getting a lot of complaint about boisterous behavior. I'm come here and see it for myself. So may I beg you, please, address that problem. Because if I come back here, you're done. You're done, we go.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Okay, so have a good night.
Me sorry, you know.
Yes.
But me not gonna make you give me no notice, you know, say I me no murder running me and taking another man.
Address him. Please, may I beg you.
Okay, thank
Address
you very
him.
much.
Alright?
Yes, thanks for coming.
Alright, have a good night.
You too. Oh? You don't answer no phone until me tell you when to answer phone. Me buy the phone and give you. So if me take back the phone from you or you talk to Sandy, give me the phone. One in. Right.
Make you lock me out. Listen, you know say rain a fall. And rain go fall again because the cloud heavy. And you come make me a map up this place.
What make you out here so talk? What happened to you? What happened to you? Why you out here so talk all the while? Me tell you to map up the balcony and you out here so skin off your teeth.
So what is for now?
What do you mean what is for?
What is for? Sarita, you know say you really not feel deal me so. Because I'm there so with you every day. And you know, I don't know if you know so you have an anger problem. And me understand that and me just keep myself to, you know me in a one zone where me not really, you know, I try to cause no problem.
You don't know what that mean? Shut up. Anytime you hear me go, shut your mouth. I'm tired to tell you say you talk too much. What is wrong with this?
So
What
me
wrong
can't
with
talk,
it?
me can't
You
talk.
talk too much. Where you tell me say me have anger? Look here, me have anger problem. Eh? So what make you take me can me go on anger management class? Eh? Can me go on anger management class then you have money? Me go have to pay if you go there. Carry me. Because me I get ignorant by you for the truth and the right. What you feel like?
Listen me I say. It's
About...
about
Me I listen. One time.
alright, you see, me know say when we in an argument and then something there, you know, listen to your tone of your voice. You're loud for me. That's why a man come here now and I ask about
Which man?
the damn landlord come here which night there and I ask about the
You're going back on the landlord.
Listen me I say no man, just talk, we can't reason. These things I get from bad tourists because
But
me there so.
foolishness in the chat.
No, but if
because you always come here, come down in my backside, I come chat about which man I come here with your loud mouth like your pastor, they preach for a mic in a church. And when me they tell you, calm down, the neighbor them they here, them can they sleep, them are working class money, and you come here with your big bag of knives and want to blame me?
So them it's alright. But hear me I say.
Hear me, never tell lie.
No, hear me I say. Hear me I say no man.
You don't know if you say.
It's about time now we have a better relationship. When you think so? Because right now I want to go buy even one little drink and you tell me say I can't go because out the road not safe and all these things like through Christmas.
Me can answer one
and
question?
something there.
Hey, I do all like talking. Me can answer one question?
Ask me a question.
How long since me had it?
Too long.
You not even remember.
You tell me, remind me.
If I tell you, look here. You see, from the day me met you, me don't know what did happen to me that day there, but it come like I said, me never in my right mind.
Poncerita.
Because from the day I met you, you look like something is wrong with my brain.
Poncerita, remember say at church with me
you
too.
is a friggin'
No. Remember say when we be there at church, see? And the social are going and nobody never wants to sit down beside you and me go sit down beside you. And after me sit down beside you, we start talk and exchange number and we get familiar with each other. And from this, so me just say, alright, you know what, because he's a real woman. Because people don't understand, people just need to understand you. I mean, I try to understand, but you don't understand yourself. Something you can calm down, man, and tone down. Look on it now, me want to start map up a place.
Yeah, pass your play. Careful how you talk to me. Because you start put on some disrespect on the word them way you say to me. You see, anytime you go say anything to me, think first before you talk. You need to put on some clothes on the argument them way you say to me. Why?
Yo, look on what you do now. Look on what you do.
Just take your hand for me.
Punserita, I tell you, if you have an anger problem, you have to get checked out. You have to get checked out because look, I don't understand what is it about you and how you treat me. You think you treat me bad? You don't feel you treat me bad, Punserita?
You didn't tell us to come wipe out the balcony? Why you out there so angry? A girl you out there look? Eh?
We know a relationship together, two adults. Sometimes myself,
Mrs. Mikey. Hey, from my born, me never see a woman in a man clothes yet.
boy,
Yawa. He's a man or he's a mouse?
boy, let me tell you this. See? I have never seen you with a steady relationship. See? What kind of man you think you be? Because you have girl that come in and out. Well, and maybe buy front. Eh? You don't have no relationship. Having a relationship takes a lot. And when you understand a woman and love a woman, for who they are on the inside, it's different. You have to understand that. You know it's a fly by day, pitch by night, somebody. No stability. You used to go here and there. A swing.
And you think you stable? You think me not see? Eh? You think me never see one time she have you out there drape you up and dash water in your face? You think me did blind? Mop up your boy. Punsy. Me. You think me did blind? Me see the whole of that.
You watch
and you
too
say
much.
he's a man? He's a man frame.
What if I want to show where you act? I'll show where you act out there, you know. I move where you act.
Show nothing.
I mean, say show
Me
nothing.
see when time she dash the water in your face.
Who's
And
that?
me see when time she grab you so and I ring your face. And dash water upon you. Oi, who she a call your phone?
Oh,
Somebody a call your phone. Who is this person? Where you say their name? Sandy or whosoever. Who this? Are the same somebody where did I call your phone and me tell you if you not answer? Okay, me soon deal with you. And what kind of conversation you did out here so? Well, you and that dead man different over this. So what is your problem?
yes, it's a bull that come through the place and bull just taking time and going back. Because bull is a damn idiot. Because, you know, bull say in love trouble people and mimic and all these things. So I don't understand why you make it. See me a flung upon the place, me just map up the place. Right? And me done map
No,
up.
you not answer my question.
Which one me fi answer?
What was the conversation you was holding with him? What did I chat about?
Me never did I say much.
You never
Me
say
never
much.
say much. Because only thing me had a
So
look
when
on
it
him.
come to you about?
Him a talk, you see me a talk about, him know a chat about the fact say, him see you a box me, and I put her and throw water in my face. Punsy, you
And that
have
him
to
said
stop.
to you?
Yes, you have to stop this thing.
So all my business and your business concern people over there, so?
No, but...
That's our personal life. Oh, you catch it wait what you say. What you say?
No, me not like it.
So,
Me not like
why
him.
you call him on the phone for him come to you for you discuss about me and you?
Listen to me.
So everything about me and you, everybody have to
I'm
hear.
for calling on my phone
You
and my
see the
phone in the
type of
house.
dirty style them where you have.
No, but I'm for calling.
So all man just come Me no know if a phone you see and borrow it and call your friend. Cause me know say you and such a friend either till una whole conversation about we.
Puncerita, listen to me. Listen to me. You need to stop. You get from bad to worse.
Change for your little dirty folly grounds because sake of you. Me can't in a known peace. Every minute you make me in a war. Sake of your dirty attitude them where you have. Why you not look into yourself and stop talking about me?
I'm if you look into myself and yet I'm a punching bag. I mean I beat up every time, you know. I get too much lick.
Oh.
It's too abusive, man.
Okay. So you report. You is a reporter.
What do you mean?
So me you can't have no secret.
I not tell the man nothing, the man see for himself. It's like I watch one TV. Me I tell him say one movie out to act. I show you act. Once you read it, have to take time, man. You have to understand.
Well, let me tell you, you see, since as you and him are such a friend, I mean, never
Me
know.
and a friend. No. Me and a friend. Me and Bull is no friend. Bull only thing Bull do is chat.
So how come
And him
him
can't.
take up my story, I come put it to you?
No.
Kill me dead that you call him, you know.
How if you call him?
The phone is inside, but if you not borrow somebody phone and call him, I see you seen the past going in the house and you call him. And if you can discuss about me, I was up.
Puncerita, you get from bad to worse. You know, so we go call Pastor Jones.
And you know something about call Bull out in house.
Who you call Bull for?
So you know want me call him? You know want
Alright,
to say you
alright, go on, call Bull. Go on, call Bull. Use him up, take and map him.
Anyhow, me call Bull and Bull tell me say I you.
No, Bull, we say Bull, we say me just fi hear more story over here. No, Bull,
a long time me know Bull and me never hear say him a liar. You see, any of me go to him and he tell me say you say.
You can't do that.
Me no want hear nothing from you.
Jesus Christ.
You're too wicked. That's why you make girl call your phone. And make sure you no come through the gate. Don't come through the gate. Sit down right there so that
Punsy, just...
Go in back.
Punsy, just hold on a Punsy.
No. You're too old.
Punsy, just easy now, man. Me feel like a jail me there, you know. Punsy.
Ball!
I do Punsy, man. And then they say me. People are say, Mikey, you make nice that place. Bullshit and buck you over there.
Ball! Ball!
Who is it?
Friend, your Puncinella vice. If you come out and come hear the Punci vice.
What you say? What one Punci?
Bull, I want to ask you one question. Just come right here, so. That's something I ask you.
Me have pot pan fire.
Alright, just come. Come, man.
I'm have to watch your pot.
Your pot now burn up. Come right here, so. Anyhow your pot burn up, me buy back where you went put in the pot and it burn up. If you just come, one talk to you.
So you can come back.
Bull, me just ask you one simple question. Why you make things look so difficult? Come right here, so.
Say police for we neighbor.
Show up the door, because I don't want to smell where you cook.
Say police live over there, so.
Yeah, me know. You don't have to tell me I never ask no info about nobody. You informer? Listen to me. Bull, as I stand up right here, so.
Yes, police.
I want you to tell me the truth. I go ask you one question. I don't know much question me don't ask you, but one main one. I have to ask you.
Now I'm gonna lie to you, Poncy.
Little while, when me come out of my house, me see you left from my doorway. You and my man did that talk about something. One did that talk about. And me confront him with it, and he tell me, say, are you come over there to question him? Tell me the story.
Jesus Christ. Poncy.
No, tell me the story. I mean, no, you're not layered, you know. Tell me the story.
Poncy, the truth where God love. I hear me here one look on ruckus like I sitting drop down and me peep out, you know, Poncy, and look, you know. And then me see him call me, you know, Poncy. As me turn up here sub greed, God broke me neck on that greed tree. No, I call me, and I tell me how you beat him, Poncy. Would I never come over there? You mad? Me no idiot.
That's what you talk?
Poncy.
God know?
I swear, no lie.
Do this, let me see.
No, I lie, Poncy.
Alright. Me believe you. Go on and go look my pot.
I hope
what? Just go on and go look my pot.
Yes, Poncy.
Yeah, just go and go look.
Alright. Yes, but later. She gone? Wicked boy, man.
What?
What?
No.
What me tell us? What me tell us? What me tell us?
No.
What me tell us?
I'm tired of this. Me a big fan of
Tell
this.
lie.
No, me not tell a lie. A bull. Me a say a bull.
You tell too much lie.
Me say a bull. Me say a bull. Me say a bull. I know me.
What me tell us?
I know me.
Lie, man.
I know me.
You're too lie. You're too lie. I see how far you run go. And I say you come tonight. Watch me go do with you. Watch me go do with you with this. Or you run behind go like one of the racers track. Alright. Run one. You can't go for bully and go sleep. Bully with the woman. Me go see where you go sleep tonight when we lock in door and gone in. Oh, okay. You now come back here, so. Alright. Me want see where you go.
Can't believe the rubbish truck left me this morning, I know. Can't believe it. Let me go there now. Go them past here so I can pick me up.
Press along.
That's bad lucky, sir. I'm so bad lucky.
Brother Mikey, what happened?
I'm going, Sister Jenny.
I go look while now. I not see you last time I see you at church. What I can't see bad luck here? What happened now?
The amount of things. This morning, I go to work. The rubbish truck left me and all these things. So, I don't know. I just have a lot of things are going on. And, I not even want to explain certain things, because there's a lot going on. Too much. But I still going to come there, so I wait for the rubbish truck to come pass and come pick me up.
You can go to work.
Guys, them boys, them don't know why them drive off early this morning. And them know say, you know what I mean? I know so early them normally drive, but this morning they end up driving off so early.
I remind lady they make you can't wake up. You know,
Who that?
easy, For your woman over there. What's your name? Punsi, sister. I remember her name sometimes because it's so funny. Punsi,
Punsi Rita.
Punsi Rita, somewhere along those lines.
You know Punsi Rita?
You know, yeah, I see her and her come to church, but I tell her the truth, I don't feel like I say she, a right person for you. You look unhappy, look how you look. You're a nice, handsome young man. You look hardworking and you don't look happy.
Well, to be honest, I'm not really happy, but I try to make the best of it. You know what I mean? Because based on how certain things are run right now, it comes like a God sending right as if we can have a conversation because sometimes I have to talk it out, but I can't talk about certain things, you know what I mean?
You want a woman with bright light to shine it on you. Feel like so between me and brother Mikey, so I'm fast, right? Because I know we are church people, I want to talk to the business, but we have more to talk. We have to talk from time to time. So that woman there upstairs is 100, I feel like you deserve a better woman. You have ambition and so you deserve a better woman, man. Like, everybody at church feels like she mad, see something wrong with her. Like, sometimes she will alright and one next moment she just chip out. Like, see nothing off about her, you must realize something, man.
You see a lot, cause, me I feel a whole heap. I feel a whole lot of,
You deserve a nice woman like me, a nice church sister like me, so we have ambition and we can make life work. You see that woman there, that's what the woman there, man, you can't walk up and down with so much baggage and expect the Lord to bless you and shine light on you, You can't do that, man. You deserve a nice, look how we look good together.
Sister Rebecca, say...
Sometimes God bless you, we can't see blessing right in front of our eyes,
Well, Sister Rebecca, I understand, But this is because based on, me go 1 year with her already. And, because you're a nice woman yourself, You're a nice, very nice woman, but...
God can't send me for you, Well, but if you're too busy, you focus on one and work out for you might not see best when God send you and you might gone by the time you quit, so.
Well, that's true still.
Sister Rebecca want to rebuke her. Sister Rebecca don't like her.
Alright, Sister Rebecca. You know what I'm going to do? Me really and truly I think about certain things on a higher level because I don't like how, as I said, I'm unhappy. And happiness is a gift. And I can't make sick of, certain people, them take away your joy and thing. And I'm not that kind of person. I'm a happy person. You understand me I say?
When I come to church, but you know how me nosy and stay. I say everything, and I watch her, you sit down in front of me so she can't see what I go. But I watch you like, I know you love her, but you have to understand sometimes say love come with boundaries. You see, say it now work out. Me not but no bad for you for your relationship, but last week Sunday I dream, I get one dream and I saying that me and you in a dream I get married. Yeah. And I see this dark cloud and I see dark cloud disappear off your face, I see.
Married or dead, you know. Sometimes I see married in a dream or dead.
No. So you're saying to me that you would marry a nice church sister like me, church sister with good personality, education, hardworking and all these things. And plus me around like an English pound. Talk to me nice, brother Mikey. What you say?
Sister Rebecca, yes, Sister Rebecca. But alright, let me go on. Because right now I'm a mind thinking, you know, trying to clear my mind.
Think about it, man. Sleep on it. Put it under your pillow and sleep on it tonight, because by the time I see you at church next week Sunday, I want an answer, because just like how the Lord can bless me if I come to you, you know, the Lord can bless me if I go to somebody else, because if you don't want me, somebody else for a nice church brother might want me, brother Mikey, you know, man.
Sister Rebecca, alright, I'm going to say, I'm going to think about it. I'm going to think about it and I'll get back to you. Yeah,
well, take care of yourself now, man. Go over look about some video. You prayed this morning?
Yes, I did.
If you always pray, you know.
Yes,
and pray for God to show you the truth that I am the one for you.
Yes,
but what take too long to have another master, so think about it. I'm not pressuring you, but I really want to pray with you, but
all right, Sister Rebecca.
Take care now and continue to keep up yourself. You look nice.
Yes, man.
I hope you see the truck as soon as possible.
Through. Yes, Sister
And
Rebecca.
Stop staring at my rum.
No. All right, Sister Rebecca. Have a good evening, Sister Rebecca. Oh Lord, Punsi Rita, you do me this. And you run me and beat me, so.
Go on, let's go. What go on now? Where I'm there, I go on this some work, you know.
I see, brother.
I get the place cleaned down because the place don't look good. Pastor live right there, so he wants to see good.
Oh, you mean, man?
Right there, so same way.
Brother, I say this morning I have to sleep over my mother yard, because guess what now? Be a problem and so on. So rubbish truck left me. You don't know if I lose that work there today, you know. Because rubbish truck left me, and the brother them, I don't know one them I move so early. Because the whole thing mash up, brother.
At early time, I know you have to go up on the job early, you know. So how you left you?
Yeah, because Punsi, I go on with some madness last night, man. I have to just run off and thing and just go cool out. Brother, want your sister, you can't talk to her, my lad.
Brother, none of we can talk to Punsi, you know.
What do you mean?
Punsi mad. Mad out, right out. You don't know how you control Punsi. Stiff touring mad. When I mean mad, not even 10th floor. Can't manage Punsi. Punsi mad.
Bro, no matter what I do, no matter what I try to create peace around me and Punsi, just nah work. Brother, I cook for her. When I cook for her and carry food come, she wonder why I cook so much food. And if I cook a little bit of food, she say, why I cook such a little bit of food?
I try
and if I put no salt in it, she say she want salt. And then I put a little bit of salt, she say no salt. Brother, it's like I can't have one meeting ground with her.
So you stay with the family, and that's why we have to put him one side.
Jesus.
I'm mad.
So you can't get a talk for me?
Oh. You come like call you mad and Punsi.
What? Tell you to be.
How me figure talk to Punsi and Punsi mad with the family already and I alone we see we can control him away. And you tell me say me figure talk to her.
But brother, yo, see, I call Punsi is a nice woman, you know, man. I love Punsi, you know, man.
All I will love her.
She's nice, but when she just a chip too regular. Alright, see if she go on so one time out of the day different from go on so every time through the day.
Every time she go always go on so. Because he's mad. He not even take his medication. So he can't cool down.
What do you mean? She take medication?
Tell you. When he take his medication, he will calm with you.
Look like I want wrong zone.
I look like he not no medication, then you have to go check out his backgrounds and say if I done the medication done. I good at that, you know.
Let's go talk to her for me, man.
No, yeah, me tell her say yeah.
So when last you see her?
Who? A glimpse, her, you know. Just glimpse. And him never change a word from when glimpse her.
So you know sound good.
So I don't know what you are going to do. family can't do nothing. His mother can't do nothing. Yeah.
I know, yo, alright.
You want to go on. Respect you. Say if my medication done.
Yeah, I have to go check on that. Come,
And start
yo,
you.
let me love Punsi, you know, that's the problem. Yeah,
You say all I will love Punsi.
Cause it's when she nice, brother, she come around heavy.
When
But
he
when
take
she-
his medication, but right now my feel say I done the medication done. So here what you do? Check him out. Me I go and do some work because night I come down, I don't know anything.
Alright, my boy.
So do the maths.
Yeah, man, respect. Yes, sir.
I got the medication, me say done, check it out.
A real talk. Alright. But yo, if you can, do me a favor. Pass by and just have a little word with her. A long time when I not talk to you, maybe that's all mother to you know. Because sometimes when people go through certain things and they're by themselves, then we go through certain meds. Because nobody don't talk to her about me.
Me have to go talk to her. Don't worry yourself.
Give her a talk. Yes, sir.
You give her a talk.
Alright, respect
So
it up.
do the maths.
Alright,
And
brother.
remember say check out the medication.
Yeah, check it out, man. Because I love her. I love my Pastoral.
All I will love her.
Alright.
Yeah.
Pastor Jones.
How you doing, brother Mikey?
Pastor Jones, it's good to see you, you know, man.
Yeah, man, good to see you also,
I'm still in
man.
a while, you know.
Yeah, man, so it's a blessing, man. So what's really going on?
My Pastor Jones, there's a lot of things going on, to be honest with you. Remember that it's you is the one that gave me the idea, said me to stick to Pastoral and thing, you know. And based on your advice, you know, me take it. But Pastor Jones are living in a agony. Agony. The girl, the woman come like say she can't calm down. But I know you know about this before, Pastor Jones?
Well, to be honest with you, I know her on a social level, but as it pertains to living with her and know her like that, I don't know everything about her. So that's the honest truth. So I don't know.
Pastor Jones, I tell you, I need
But
some.
hold on. What kind of real trouble she had? Because I mean, I was really looking forward to do no wedding, you know.
Wedding? I don't think, well, I'm not saying that wedding is not a possibility, you know. But based on how she's acting now, she's kind of running me away from her. Because to be honest, Pastor, I run from the yard based on how she had treated me. I have to be honest with you because you're a man of God. I'm just say, you know, you can give me the right advice because you're getting the spiritual connection, right?
All right, so here's what. I'm going to tell you the honest truth. If you start seeing some form of red flag from now, you have to take it as such. If she really show you who she be, you better believe her. Because as a man of God, I wouldn't want to see both of you get married and then I'm thinking about divorce, you know, because I don't really believe in divorce. You know what I say? So, if it's a case where you both can probably get some counseling first and see if it's something that you can live with, then, well, you can make it work. But if it's something that you can't live with, you just have to just let it be.
Pastor Jones, you see, the thing is this, I love her when she's nice. You understand? But is the other side I can't take. But the problem is the other side flipping in too much, too regular. For one day, it's driving me crazy.
Well, that side,
Pastor Jones,
that side also is very important, you know. And if that side is not a good side, it won't be a happy home.
Pastor Jones.
So if as I say, get little counseling first. I mean, you can come to me for the counseling now. As a man of God, I'm not only a man of the cloth, you know. I'm also a licensed counselor. So I can counsel both of you. But as I say, you have to trust your own instinct. And if you're seeing signs of that, she's that type of person, well, you just have to walk away.
Pastor Jones, you're violent, Pastor Jones. And I gotta be honest with you, I can't take it.
Well.
Right now, she try to raise her hand at me, and me know say me raise my hand at her.
No. I don't encourage that.
Yes,
I don't encourage
Pastor.
that.
And
So here's what. Here's what. I'm going to tell you. I don't believe in violence. Whether it be coming from her or you, I don't believe in it. So
agony?
No, end it. Because I wouldn't want to know that you kill her or she kill you.
But you can't talk to her from my boss because she will look for me, and that's my problem. Because
all right, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. I know she will listen to me.
When she come to church?
Yes, I'm going to talk to her and see if all right, so let me ask you, what you want me to talk to her about? The beating or you want me to tell her if you leave you alone? Which one?
I want to you know, I wish, because we don't really want she too violent, and if that can fix, then we can work on anything else. But me know you're a man of God, and you know, you can pray and ask God for bless her. Because God is still in the miracle working business.
All right,
You understand?
I'll be praying for both of you,
Yes,
and
man.
I'll definitely talk to her.
Pass by the house, you know. Pass by the house and just check her and have a talk with her, because, you know, she's...
All right, but don't worry yourself. I have to run because I have a meeting.
All right, Pastor, because, you know, I mean, they never run well any way me take it.
Yeah, man, and if she raise your hand, if she raise her hand at you, run. Don't lick her back.
Well, one last thing, Pastor. You see, I've been working on the rubbish truck, and you know I work out because the man, them, you know, them have a negative vibe towards me and all these things.
Maybe why them have a negative vibes towards you is because maybe how you dress up and a garbage truck you work on.
I drive a truck, boss. Drive a truck. And then them fight me because them say me if I go lift up empty barrel and all them something there, and they want to take turns.
Yeah, but
I mean, I stand the turns. I want the man them give me the work and all this something, but I don't know.
yeah, but maybe you have to dress down a little bit and to fit the part, because if you dress up like this and them looking like a cruff, it can be very troublesome.
I understand.
Yeah, man. All right, so I have to run and take care again. I'll be praying for you.
Please swing by the house.
Yeah, man, definitely.
What's that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Jacob.
Good.
What one?
Me there. So me I come give you a check.
I want to know. Where you come out again?
I check me come give you a
Every
check.
time you come down, you start asking me for things. One time you tell like oh mother in hospital, and next time you tell oh you picnic them, and me have to give you money to do this and do that. What is your problem? And where you come out? Where you come out?
You give me money to do things.
Look how much time you come to me for money for give you this and give that if towards your picnic and 1%. Where your problem?
You know, something if you reach us up.
So where you reach her for? What is it?
Mikey, your man Mikey, but
What
me
happened
reach
to
us up. Him but me reach us, and me if you reach us up, come tell me now, come here so.
Why him say? He give you a message to give me, why he couldn't call me phone?
Me don't know about that the part there. He
So-
come link me. A hard work me, I don't want him come check me, so me
For
fi
what?
come discuss about you. What you mean for
Discuss
what?
about me?
Yeah.
I could have want to me,
Yeah.
so.
You see, you
You
now
see me
move
with
right.
that,
You now move right.
Oh, me sick up your sorrow.
Goodly.
So why him say? What is the problem? I want to hear.
You have to respect Mikey, you know. Because Mikey check for you. And I first man that for you. So you have to check for Mikey and respect Mikey.
A PMP if you come to me, I could have worked as this.
Pay me? No, sir. And a pay me.
You see, you
You
know,
just send me.
anytime people give you money and tell you any little thing, you can use. Let me tell you something. You see, if you want add on or you want take off, now come to me with the foolishness about Mikey this and Mikey that and Mikey say whatever. Me no want hear nothing from you and Mikey. You can't tell me who me fit with. But first
Mikey a good
relationship.
man for you. You have to check for him. You don't have to go on like you
You
know
like
and
you
check
and
for
Mikey
Mikey.
a friend.
Yeah, right.
So true you and him a friend now. You take news from him if you come give me tell Mikey if you come talk to me himself. Anyway in there, tell him if you come see me himself. Why am I send news to me?
You tell him.
Why have
Don't
to give
worry.
my brother a message she give
Me
me?
don't know. He say he don't want to come to you because he feel so obsessed and things. So what go on?
Okay, so like when you afraid, if you tell me any little thing, I open me and name. Oh, he might go tell you if you come beg me for him. Not
Well-
about a bother go at that party.
You're alright, you know.
So
Yeah,
if you
Mikey,
want a little,
alright.
and you might go tell if
He
come
can't
to
tell
me
me.
if beg for him, for me give him little.
Remember, say Mikey are your last chance that you know. So you have to love him and care for Mikey.
And that thing tell
Remember,
you tell
say
me.
your brother tell her that.
Mikey is not the only man on earth. How will you get that from?
And I only man, but he care for you and he check
Oh,
for you. So you have to look
so
out
my
for
last
him.
chance to me. You know what? Go find yourself a woman and mind your own business and come out of people relationship. You're too chore. Go on, what I tell you go.
You're sick.
You soon have me sick. Go on, where you go.
Brother,
You
make you laugh.
You come back.
Let me say me come back.
You finally, how much do you know you got?
Remember saying me alone run, you know. That means you're afraid or too, you understand my pain, you can feel my pain.
I never run, me did I run?
How are you gonna do?
I'm a pop, me come check pan. Oh, but you me run from here, woman. Oh, I'm team my youth. Come check pan my pot.
Right. Conscience, only conscience will set you free, yeah? Or you me say general, see?
Man.
Bull.
Hey.
You see our friend here now, if you had a comic.
See who?
Poncerita, man. It's a Poncerita. I come check Poncerita, I'm gonna see her. You know see her no time today at all?
No. Nope. Not at all.
I don't hear no conversation, don't like no argument or nothing like that.
Me's not no watchman in a big man.
Brother, the school, man.
Like it's a watchman thing, you come set me pan, you know, gonna ask me if me hear no conversation. Look here, no man.
Brother, if you hear him look like a rat. Always out now, in I open and look for information and all these things.
Well, it's look here, no man.
So you don't see her today then?
No, me no see her.
So,
me have selective hearing, me only hear when me want to hear.
So,
and me have selective seeing, me only see when me want to see.
Bull, me know so me not close, you know, because all I do is try to, you know what I mean, just laugh off of me or try to create some scene when me feel like a mad somebody and all these things. Poncerita is a nice man, you know. I just you need to get to know Poncerita.
Me?
What you mean?
I don't need to get to know your woman.
I mean, are your
Your
neighbor?
woman is, and that is how it is going to stay. Near but far.
All right. So, the long and short of the situation is, you know see her from there?
Sir?
Are you see her yesterday?
Like me need to tell this man here again. I don't see the woman who put on your clothes for you will send you out this morning, sir. As somebody do have to tell you. Okay, come in know who just up in a big old bright pink man. With rainbow upon it.
What do you mean rainbow? This is not pink. This is peach. And this is something my mother give me. A nice little shirt. You understand me I say? You know what about my dressing and fashion? See? You don't understand fashion, that's obviously the case.
You're
But
damn right.
This is what I say. Whole day yesterday, you see Poncerita, and today I see her. So I'm forward today and me not see her, I wonder where she could have gone. I know say Theo knows always in people's business. I know you know where she gone. I know you know what time she gone. If she gone, somewhere far. You understand me I say? So Bull, just be honest and talk to me. What time you say Poncerita left for you today?
Really take me for a piece of informer, you know, man.
I'm not informer, but
what is most informing you take me for? Look here now, I don't know nothing about Poncerita business because when time she left here after 3 yesterday, she come back in after 6. And then when time she left here this morning 5 o'clock, she went out and she don't come back yet. So I don't know nothing about her business.
give thanks, boss.
Wait.
I tell them, man, I don't say no everything, you know. I don't say no everything, but that's all right. That's fine. You know,
Hey, me never say nothing, you know.
No, never. It's all right. Me will take it away then.
Me don't know nothing about no business.
That's fine. That's fine, boy. That's fine, boy. That is your thing. You know what I mean? Always bucking into people's business.
Yeah,
that's fine.
Sure. So now this a Poncerita you ask about. Hey, look here, no man. Me go check for my
So
pot.
where you go?
Me pot a call me. Me pot.
Po. I mean, I go down my yard.
Come right here, son.
No, what are you saying?
Stand up right here, so me no want nobody stand up behind me or beside me and talk to me. I want to look in your face.
Stand up and look into my face.
Baby, hey! Woo! Help my father. Where you coming from? Talk to me, where you come from?
Poncerita, your only concern is where I'm coming from. You're not concerned about what is going wrong? Only thing you're doing is trying to stick a knife in my side at all times. You know, apologize for what you do downstairs.
Me can stick knife in your side.
You know, apologize to me.
For what?
For what you do
For your
downstairs.
left and gone about your business so much it is. I wish you if you apologize. You leave. You look like you don't know your yard. You leave and gone for how much days and just a come back. So your woman give you another man shirt to put on.
What you talking about?
This look like you go sleep on one woman yard and she no have no clothes to give you. So she give you her man shirt to put on.
And my mother give me that shirt here. My mother.
If I show do it again, do so. That's why I believe you. And a matter of fact, me kinda not believe you, but the reason why mother say me believe you is because your mother travel. And she always carry on some whole heap of man shirt and woman this and man that and proper underpants. Make me believe you say your mother you get that from. And me go call your mother and ask her to prove it. Me want to confirm me what is your problem when you look at me suffer like me not fit do it.
Puncerita, why you always so
Don't call out my
angry?
name.
But why you always so angry at me? What me do you? What is the problem between the two of us? You may need an apology from you.
I could have walked
What you mean so what can I say? You beat me like say me you pick me. What kind of style that? Puncerita, this is me love you. For you, for who you are. From the first day me meet you up until now, me have a connection. And me can't cut it off for some. You know, so me go to Pastor Jones. Me go to Pastor Jones. And it's like me I said to the man, say, if you can, just pray for we as a couple. And you not look into them something there. Even one day, just give me a break now.
You go to Pastor Jones. Why you never go to Pastor Brown? Him is a more God-fearing man. If you never know, Pastor Jones a look me and he have his wife. So that the kind of man there, me no want him pray for me. So you can make him pray for you. Some pastor, you know make them put their hands on you, especially in your head, because they're full of spell and a curse them a little upon you. Me no want you to tell me nothing about Pastor Jones because Pastor Jones are looking all of the people them in the church. We already have them man.
Nice. So it's a Pastor Jones.
Pastor Jones I look after the whole of we church members
you
as
matter.
woman in the church and the whole of we have women. But me tell him plain and straight say, not because you see me and my man in a certain contention and confusion and frustration. And because who in here they watch me and they chat you and they call up with name. That's why me and him can't agree say because uno love people business in here too much. So guess what? Him okay sister, don't tell your boyfriend about me. I am so sorry, it was a mistake. Mistake, me backside to beg me in front. Me have to make him know plain and straight. Say listen to me, even though me and my man in a problem, me no want you sir. Oh, sorry, don't tell your boyfriend about me because me know you not married yet. Me say, listen, see them now, you start chat about married now and me not ready yet. So what is your problem? Okay, please, whatever I said to you, do not say it, don't mention it.
That Pastor Jones every time.
And when you're done, you're making lay hand in your head and
No,
pray for
no.
Why do to you?
We just talk.
Talk about what and who?
I think said it was a good thing for go because me want to work with the couple relationship we have.
But
so
look
if
on Pastor Brown. You don't know Pastor Brown. His first name is Richard.
No.
But the church member them now go just say, hello Pastor Richard Brown. We just say Brother Brown or Pastor Brown or Bishop Brown.
Me not feel, I not really go to church regular like you know. And since me start there with you, why we start go church?
I don't know how he have might the preach from pulpit because I don't want him resting in my head. And the next time you go to him, me and you go in a big problem. Because me and you can kneel down at our bedside and pray to God about few business and few situation. God have all of the solution them few problem them. So why you have to go to somebody go call up me name?
Puncerita, you have to change yourself. You can calm down. You can stop being so aggressive.
Stop calling up my name to people.
Me not call up him to nobody. Me just want somebody
why
to talk to.
Come to me, come talk
come
to me.
If you come talk.
Why you not like? Why you not talk to me about it?
Yeah, because the first thing you do is you have to build this and that. Your fist, you're just so violent. That's all you want to do. Me I see your brother, me talk to your brother too. And your brother say, nah, come around here. Your brother say, nah, talk to you because of where you stay.
Oh, me stay?
Yes. I see your brother say.
See same thing what me tell you?
What you mean same thing?
Like can use to me brother.
Me not can use, me just tell him say if you just give a
conversation about me to my brother. Anything about me and you for discuss, you're not supposed to go to nobody. You go to pastor, you go to my brother. Who else left for you go to? Go on a police station, go report him and then come lock me up. You over there so belongs to me.
Rita, listen.
You are for me and nobody else and nobody
No,
can
that
get
me
you
a say,
from
man.
me. It's a relationship over when me say it over. Now when you and your pastor Jones and your whosoever you go to and my brother and me start this a relationship and me billion and me and any. So we now no left for left.
So how we are going to make it work for me betterment than me? Me need respect to you know.
Respect.
You have to respect me.
When you start work and have to pay money.
So me not work.
Yeah, work. But them they work their foolishness. And some change they come give me an idiot work them there. You need to do bigger work to get bigger money. You do small work, you just come work, come like gambling. You do big work, you get big money. You do small work, you get small money.
But just stop now, stop. I want a nice relationship.
You talk over me?
No, me not talk more of it, more of it
You
talk
not
together.
listen to me?
Yeah, listen.
You think say too oil. You see how easy me that's what I talk to you. You think say through your go and you come back and tell me say your mama your daddy them take it slightly. I mean, they act so soft and easy. I can't try to calm my nerve and try to humble. But don't think take it slightly. Me serious and me take everything serious and everything me put to meaning. Because you can't tell me say your mama when your girl yard.
Listen man,
you understand me?
You know me already.
Careful how you talk to me. Not because you know so long I talk to me. And me dey on one nice little smooth voice I talk to you and me now worry. Hey, let me tell you.
Already?
Look here.
Rita, yo, listen, me nah go deal with this now. Me nah go deal with this. Rita, me is not a child.
When me a talk, no talk. I don't care if you're a big man, old man, young man, great old man. I don't care which man. Me a talk to you. If you is a man, act like a man.
Pussy coat. Man, stop moving, man. Whatever, pussy coat. Pussy Rita. We will do a white shot.
Okay.
Until then, pussy stay inside. Sir! You ready? Look for the man now. Ready now?
Until then.
Sir, something like this, man.
Alright, come. Okay, hold it up in my hand.
You can throw it for the bag. Yes, you can throw it for the bag again. Don't be attacked during the conversation.
Yeah, so.
No, what I done?
Yo, make the flow with the
No.
make the flow. Ready.
So, ready, talk. Throw water in the face. Pussy.
And that thing said you?
Yes, you have to stop this thing.
So all my business and your business concern people over there, so?
Nobody.
That are with personal life. Oh, you catch it based until I say. What you say?
Yeah, personal, but you had for me. I
You're freaking
ready again. Go home your person. I can't get set.
Tell me a question until I look like I hit.
I gotta get licked.
You know, so you go off because of ball.
Agony. The girl, the woman come like say she can't calm down. Come on, no, you didn't know about this before, Pastor Jones.
Rough. Can't we just say that's why we laughing. Ready? Red flag from now, you have to take it as such. You know, if somebody show you who them really be,
You believe them? Man, give me the words and for me. Why, bro?
You know that me I tell you. So, well, if somebody show you who them really
Someone.
Make it
Make it happen that.
Side. I'm mad.
So you can't get attack for me?
Oh. You come like call you mad and pussy. You want pussy kill me? Well, I love that. But you must mad and pussy. Again, kill me. Again. Hold on. I punch you come like a human. But you're mad and pussy. Yeah, ready?
Action, go again.
Yeah, what me I say like your mother and pussy.
So, you have to go step it back and say the same thing because they already call it Sister Jamie. So, we got Sister Rebecca. Yeah? Right, that's not good. Right, no, that's not.
Same place?
Yeah, so good. Hey, just two step in and say, well, go ahead, say bad lucky. You know what I mean?
get
Yeah, man,
one
ready.
shot, I'm pull it up on the top. When you get one clean shot. Here.
Hmm?
When you get one clean shot, I pull it up on the top.
No, man.
You good?
Yes, I good. That's a perfect.
Alright.
I want the iron.
I put my watch.
Oh.
I hear my higher fan with you, you know. You have to do it, you have to do it. So no.
Okay. You're rough. The boss say.
Yeah, okay, come.
And where you see that coming from? Okay? Alright, we should have seen that fast, the boss. Yes, you done seen, sir.
I call me, and I tell me how you beat him, Punsi would have never come over there. You're mad. Me no idiot.
That's what you talk?
Punsi.
See, so make me say.
God love, God know. No, I like. Just be a laugh, man. Just be a laugh.
I'm me a chatting character, you know. I him. Me a chatting a character. I'm Javi. The first time. Come. Ready? God know?
I swear to God.
Do this, make me see.
No lie, Punsi.
Just me. But man, just in bad, I mean, just yes, I swear. But a freak. No, wait. The bad, wait. Wait. That's it. Which, are you somebody there? Yes, sir?
Action.
Let me leave you. Go on in. Go look on your phone. Yeah, just go and go look. Me not wrong.
Yo. Oh, wait a minute. Jesus Christ.
Oh, shit.
Oh, sure.
Oh,
But I bought out there.
Come on, just yeah,
No, man,
okay.
back one. Candy. Candy just walk with.
No walk here, I think I can.
Ball out again.
Ready?
Me dead. Me. Hold on.
Ready?
Hold on. I'm gonna catch them focus, Papa.
Tell me to like me, I look funny, like him this.
Yeah. Ready?
No, please. Hold on a little bit.
Me hold on.
I'm pee-pee.
You want pee-pee?
Yes.
So you're not in the bathroom in a few
I'm
hours?
going to use the bathroom.
No, not yet.
I'm going to pee-pee and come on the
Just turn up right here, so.
Hold on, no.
Listen what me I say.
Gotta call me.
How you want to have two pillow?
I can't frighten myself. I have a dream.
No, come under the sheet neither. Don't come underneath the sheet, you know. And stay out there so. And in the end, go out more. And don't touch me. Come to know you're going to take you 2 pillow them like you want to sleep on the bed.
Bonserita. 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 Like how you... Like how you wake me up. I can't say something to you?
Mikey, what you say? I tell us I'm tired and you still dey bother me. I want a little rest, man.
You know some love, you know, right? You know some love, Bonserita?
You know what you love?
Yeah. The feeling me have for you.
Right now you make it sleep and come out and I want to sleep.
Yeah.
You wake me up to ask me if me know say you love me.
No.
If you not show me say you love me, how me I gonna know?
But
you can't feel for your love and me not see it.
But you have to show me love too. You can't just expect me to just
Look
love
how much
you
love
alone.
me I give.
Like what? Alright, we now bring
Which
it
part
this
for your love there?
Right there, sir.
Because I know me can't find it.
Right, come over.
You know how long me I search for your love and me can't find it.
Alright, listen
You
to
beat me up out and me still chit chat to me about foolishness.
You know, say, me love to get things off of my chest.
Take care of your chest.
And me really feel stressed if me not get to explain certain things to you and communicate certain way, right? But when me talk to your brother when say something like you're on medication. I say go?
What you just say? No, tell me what you just say. I them mad story that you and my brother sit down and talk about me.
Sorry, if you box me face, so.
So you and my brother sit down and talk about me, so me mad? So till you don't start talk about me on medication.
So you the on medication and or what?
So me did the Bellevue and you and my brother come for me.
But
Where Milo wanna get?
When me say which Milo, what you talk about? Answer my question. It's a simple conversation every time I talk, you feel like you lick me and box me now. Eh? Is that true or not, you know? But you make it sound like say it's true right now based on how you are. When if you know these things as a man in your life, where you go? No. What you do? No, Punsi. Why you doing that, Punsi? Why you make it seem like say at 3 o'clock in the morning and you need to beat a child? Punsi, this is not right. Punsi, I so love stay. Can you love me, Punsi? Punsi, you love me, Punsi? Punsi! You see, I laugh, really, I laugh. So what kind of so funny?
Big man. No, big man, really?
A doctor me I come from and you laugh. Some don't know how no funny part than this. Eh?
You gonna make she kill you? Eh? You gonna really make Punsi? Cheese and peace. Brother.
So who say a Punsi Rita do this? Why
Big
you just
man.
see me say the first thing you can say?
Big man.
Why you couldn't drop me on the road? Eh?
Big man. You and me both know. Say them a whole heap of balling when me hear you upon last night. Oh, you think me never did hear?
Bull, I make you always and listen to business. So. Eh?
It's not soundproof room you have, big man. As a matter of fact, I'm me alone here, you know. It's just that me the only person come to you and tell you, she a go kill you. You better choose, you know. Big man, is either his life or his front. You don't want to know which one you want, big man, and see that. Now it's a hand, tomorrow is a foot, next thing, you're dead. And that you want? She a go kill you. She don't love you, you don't see that?
Punsy Rita love me, man, but it's just that she angry. You don't know why Punsy so angry.
Brother, I first never see love do somebody so. The love beat you with pot cover. The love beat you with belt. The love make you... Boy, I don't know. See, a broke hand you come home with.
It's spraying. It's spraying hand, it's not
Might
broken
as well it
hand.
broke.
It's spraying.
So you're going at 2024 with that. Jesus Christ.
Me get painkiller, you know.
Then,
Me get painkiller, so the painkiller go work.
brother, you need something for your eyesight. You know, sister, she go kill you. Big man, you need to get out. This cannot work. Could they look on the man frame? I know me alone a laugh, you know. It's not me alone a laugh. But me I tell you, it don't look good.
But I think you just don't understand. You see, sometimes when she get angry, that I think, you know, me I try to make people understand say, such a state. And if she stayed away, the people don't even understand her. But me not talk to her still. Bull, just come out of my business and ride, go on where I go. It's as simple as that. You understand me I say? Just leave my business alone.
If I never know better, I would have think say one hour no mad. And you know who me I drive to be more of the mad person in this relationship?
Oh.
I think your woman is a mad woman, you know.
No, you just don't understand her.
I don't understand her.
You don't understand her, man.
Alright, my boss. Don't say a word, you know. You remember what you say, you know? You say, I don't understand her. I'll go out the road, yeah. So I will see you. Well, better yet, I will hear you.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out.
Me look for me, so.
Innocence can be a young man's game.
Me go to doctor and then say me hand sprain, broke. And then give me pain medication and something.
Mikey, me broke your hand. Me never send you a doctor.
So, what you mean?
So why you a come to me and tell me say doctor say your hand broke? Me never send you to no doctor. Me just broke your hand because you're too bright. You're too feisty. You feel know what you say to me. You can't look at me, your woman. And they can ask me if me the palm meds.
So, you really attack, say? You broke me and feel comfortable? Me not understand.
Listen to me. Yes, when you talk to me, you know what you say to me before you say it. Before you talk to me, you go think first. Before you spit out nothing out of your mouth. Because any little thing you say to me, me no like.
But how that? Me
You're not going to like
no,
it.
but who supposed to can talk?
So you can talk to me about if me the palm meds or me
Yeah,
the take
because
meds.
your brother said so. Your brother see the palm meds. So me have to come and
You
confirm
come back with it again?
No.
You want the next hand or you don't want it? You want the next hand to broke too?
So you really don't broke my next hand? Eh? You not think for me, you know? You're too aggressive and me I try to explain to you.
See it there again? Yes, where you gone?
Aggressive?
You're going to compare me, a good woman, with aggressive. Oh, me the close aggressive. Look how far me there. And you come draw me up close in aggressiveness. Listen to me. You see, aggressive make you stay away there. Don't compare me with aggressive. You understand me? Don't get me from me.
You never say sorry?
For what?
You mean say for what?
And you cast your hand for broke. I know me this get up out of blues and broke your hand so.
You make a bull laugh off of me. You make a can't talk make a bull laugh off of me.
Yo. See, you're going to talk about the same bull when I'm about to talk to you about. I am about to talk to you about bull. Me no want you, so me no want to see you bull. Why me see you on bull? Let's talk. How what happened?
So
Why you stand up in a road and talk to boy?
I know me a pass, I come and bull stop and talk and laugh off of me because he must say if me gonna wait till you kill me over here, so.
Bull see and laugh for you?
You know, so me go, you know, so me, it's
Where you go say? Where you go say? Spit it out. Say, where you go say, me and you go left? If you think you're bad. If you think you're bad, say it. Where you just did I go say? Where you about to say?
Me never gonna say nothing
If
like
me
that.
not stop do me and you go do
You have to stop this aggressive.
What you say? Me and you left. We left, and that you did I go say? Say me and you left. When?
Punserita,
When?
you listen to yourself. You're a galang
Me
like
and
your
you
mad.
can't left until I say so. Get that? Let me tell you something. If you never know, I me run things. Things don't run me. And if you talk too hard, me hurt up your hand.
So, Punserita, listen to me say now. I'm get to understand, so, you know, you know, care about me hand, but me I take medication and then say me if you eat something, you cook on food.
Cook. What do you earn? What do you earn?
Punserita, easy the man,
What do
you
you
read out to that.
What do you earn? You can't use your hand.
No, just relax the man.
What do you earn? Eh? You can't use your hand. Go look. Left the door. Where you pull door for? Don't pull that until me tell us if you open that.
Easy. When me saw to me hand, you don't believe to me hand in a cast. Once if you have the consideration for me a little bit now, man.
Consideration. Yeah. Consideration.
No, man, something really there, you know?
Yeah.
Me think something there.
Something to me. That's why you come and tell me about meds. You come back with the brother story again. Say brother, stay.
No, but you come
so you
try
follow
me
with
and
brother.
I'm tell you say that me I come from.
So what?
Punserita.
So what?
Punserita, just relax. Me don't want to be aggressive. And you know that already.
Aggressive? Pan who me? Eh?
Stop. Yeah, go good!
And
It's,
you want me? Out of your hand.
Punserita, just easy, man. Easy.
Idiot. Damn papi show. Make sure it's your bed and go lie down till me come, your bride. Me say, God. You see, bull? Anytime I hold him, he not go like it. I'm at the news carrier in a yard. Everything in care go tell my man. Everything, Father God. About me and my man, he go tell my man, watch me and him. Father God, me I beg you to go give bull one message to me. Say, anytime I see him, I bust up in his face. Oh.
Bad man and I don't give a damn. Bad man and this is who I am. Bad man and I
Hello. Hold on. I need to talk to you. No, but going. Come back out here.
The pot.
Come right here.
The pot a bun, wait no?
Make the pot burn up. For your pot ever they burn up when me come to you. No, this important. Sorry. Now go somewhere. Every time I come to your bowl, you always there cook and you want to go back and look for your pot. So you just on your way out. You never know if you turn off your stove or gauge.
Hold on, watch out.
What happened? What happened? You not even know when me come to your boat, tell you explain. Tell me, what happened to your bicycle? What you tell me, say? What is your problem? You look guilty. Look on your face.
No.
Wait, all right, tell me, where you try to say? I'm not ready to tell you what me I said. Tell me where you are trying to explain and tell me. Because it look like you come to me, it's not me come to you. So tell me where you come about.
So me up there look on the pot, Punsy. And then the bicycle say, you want to look at here. And so I go carry, go get some fresh air.
So, your bicycle want fresh air. And when you left, you go get fresh air. You know, remember, see your pot with that bun up. No, more. Come in. No, put down in.
Punsy. Hold on, Punsy, man. Hold on, please. Hold on a little bit.
Me hold on.
Want pee-pee.
You want pee-pee?
Yes.
So you're not in the bathroom in a few hours?
I'm going to use the bathroom.
No, not yet.
You're going to pee-pee and come on, Punsy.
Just turn up right there, so.
Hold on, no.
Listen what me I say.
Gotta call me.
Gotta who? Gotta call you? Well, it's too late. Listen to me. You know what me come to you about?
Please leave up this, you know.
You figure say I'm not afraid of police nor soldier. Eh? Neither lieutenant
But what me do you?
nor Stitchy. Listen to me I say.
What me do you nothing, Punsy?
Me come to talk to you about my man business, our business, and you take it put on your mind, and your brain, your head, your body, and you having your thoughts till you gone to me man.
Me never take up nothing, Punsy. I swear to God, it is too heavy. Me leave it a ground. Me never take it up.
Bull, you take it up. Because if you never take up it, the neighbor them couldn't see you out the road. They tap me man and I tell, why you go to me man and they tell me man to left me? I want me?
Me, Punsy.
No, me.
Punsy, I swear to God, me don't know nothing about what I talk about.
Give me bicycle.
Punsy, but me need the bicycle. The bicycle want here, Punsy.
Take your bicycle, stay right here. They want to talk to you.
Then
When you did they talk
but
to
hold
me,
on, no, Punsy.
bull,
Yeah.
bull, no matter with the excitement. Because you see when you did see me man, and you they complain, and they explain, and they call up my name to him, you're never afraid, you did brave. Bull, come back right here, so bull, anyhow you move me, they come up there for you. So you better you just stay right here, so, right here, so. See X here. Bull.
Punsy, hold on, see
Bull.
that. See that.
What?
See that out there.
Bull, let me tell you, see.
Me never do
You
nothing.
see, anytime you see you go on now,
Yes.
and when you see me, man, you big up yourself.
I lie, my tell. I just big chest me. I'm coming to
All
push
right,
up.
if I lie, my tell. What my man tell me say? I lie, they tell. Why you say to me? Make you they tell me say I lie. Why you say to me? Watch it. Guiltiness.
No.
So you want to know why me and me man feel they fight, and they tell him how much me they beat him, and me they this and me they that. Oh, that concern you, bull.
No, Punsy. I swear to you, I lie, my tell for me, Punsy. Me nah do that. Me not do the messing thing, the Punsy. Me not chat. Me no, me keep me mouth
You
shut.
usually could come on me yard, come big up me salt, me onion, and me oil when me not did it. You go to me man, go tell him to give you them and say, me say to give you and me not tell him nothing. And when me come to you say a lie, and him take it you and say, oh, you told him to cook lunch. Now you gone back with another story, say if me a beat him and if he left me.
No,
Oh, you think you can make my man leave me?
no, me nah make you leave you, Punsy. I swear me rather time for you. Me nah make you leave you.
Bull, talk God truth or God love.
God
I
love
want
me.
you want me? Me say if I want you want me because I want to know why you carry my name to my man and my business no concern you.
Punsy,
You informer?
No, I would never do that. No.
Bull, you spy. You turn up your son, they look down there. So why you watch me every time I go in and out? What is wrong with you?
I swear, Lodge.
So the other day, me find condom in my man pocket. He tell me that you give him because me they beat him. He go look at him. Eh?
No, Punsy.
Bull,
Yeah,
Bull, why you give him that?
Pussy.
He and it encourage me man to go look at that girl with me. Why you do it?
Pussy.
Bull,
Me pee up. Wait.
Bull,
Pussy.
why you do your pee up?
Yes.
Start licking your...
No, Pussy. Jesus, yes. Do me a bit.
You little idiot. Get up.
No, Pussy. The pot, Pussy.
Come back again. Can't back no more news to me, man, again. And mash up your face, Bull. I saw no broken people life, you little idiot.
Jesus is keeping me alive. Punsy Rita.
I want to hear Bulla Barn up, sir. But I want
You
know
hear-
nothing with you.
Me say if you hear Bulla Ball.
Me hear Bulla Barn out up there. I want.
We want to ask about Bull business for now.
I know bull business that you
When
ask.
Bull ready, he can ask you where they go on a fair yard. No, you want to ask me where they go on a bull yard. Why problem?
I know matter bull yard me ask
So
about.
if
Me hear
you
ball out
hear
of
Bull
one.
the ball, why you don't go to Bull go ask him why they cry? What is your problem? I mean, I can question. You know what make Bull the ball? Bull
Me no
say he's
know.
a little dirty liar.
Me?
Bull say you see him.
Mm-hmm.
And they tell him say if he come there with me because you tired of me and you are going to look at another woman. You! And that's what they do behind me back.
Me?
He's a hypocrite against me after me take care of you so much.
Look for me
And
hand.
me wash your clothes and me cook for you.
and you broke
me
me
do
hand.
everything for you. You're lucky you can't contend but me broke your
And
hand.
you broke me and me
So-
go sus and tell them why me there so.
You see that they broke on there? You deserve to get it. You deserve to get your chat too much. I'm gonna ring off your mouth. You. Everything you care go tell bull and they tell lie pan bull. If you hear a bull they ball and they tell me say I know him come to you
So
and you come to him.
So you go beat a bull?
Me touch bull.
So how you go?
Bull they ball and they say see it all ball me the ball to show you say I no lie me they tell.
So you beat up bull?
You carry my name to bull and they tell lie pan the man to you want me and the man be in a problem.
Me want you in a problem? Everything, every day, me in a problem with something that me not guilty of. But you feel me gonna have mix up with Bull? Me not like how Bull stay. So me and Bull never have conversation. Bull see me acting yesterday and I laugh off of me. And that me can't tell you, so how you and Bull not up to a fight?
Bull saying that he will see and you reach. Every time me say Bull tell me what cooking the cook. So how Bull feed the cook in my house and see you out the road. I want to turn up my window wait for you special. There's a little liar there and if you tap it and you make me and people in a things all the while in our area.
Me?
Every minute you make me and people in that, you make landlord come to me, you make tenant and me in a problem cause Bull a tenant and you make me and Bull in an argument when you are a problem. Bull no care no news to you too wicked. You and the other rest of neighbor them, all you do is sit down and and chat people. You're too wicked. I go lock you out of my house. You. And I can't chat about you. Who you?
After you broke me, you talk about lock out of the house.
Me broke you and now God that and whatever. I don't care about you and I'm gonna hot up.
What?
You wicked now what? Don't call me name to nobody. Any problem you have between me and you need to talk to me about it. I'm hot up here.
Is the man? Stop the man. Where you going with?
What do you mean when me are going with? You're going like you're feeling.
What do you mean,
me? Look how long that
is a wicked no Pastoral. What do you mean so long? Just yesterday.
Then look how much oil in one day. Look how long that. Your hand is so better. And a matter of fact, let me tell you something. Christmas is few days from today. You understand? Today is the 22nd. You know how much day left for Christmas? I must say 3. Listen, you have to call this here 2 or 1. Oi, me want 25 new drawers. Me want 18 new brand boot. And the whole of them pick up name pan and I must brand and a original. I don't care where you want to go to get it. You better get them come give me.
I can't get so much. Me get you me get a 1 boot and 6 drawers.
And me want the biggest Christmas cake because no girl where they plan to go there with outer road and I tell Bull to come there with me. You see, so you're
stop the foolishness, man. Me not think Bull have no conversation like that.
You better buy the nicest Christmas cake. Give me, I want 1 bottle of wine and 3 bottles of champagne. At Christmas now and everything we want, you need to get it, give me.
So what me forget? Me not forget nothing?
What you mean where you forget? What you mean where you forget? You not forget nothing. Anything where the things that you did forget, I am going to give it to Bull because you tell Bull to come there with me. Or you feel tell Bull to come look at woman eat.
Me tell Bull
to
come there with
you. You see a road. What you like? So when we cannot go on and then you go sleep. Why you have to come in here so? Make sure, a matter of fact, you see, if Christmas come and pass, I need a 1 minute close to New Year and me not get all of when me ask you for, you're not sleeping for 2 weeks straight. You hear what me say? That me say, and that me mean. My friend say, you look dirty hat. Idiot. Fool no one. Where? Fool.
Attending to, I don't know why I have to be visiting this place. People don't see me around, all of a sudden everybody seeing me coming in and out. I don't know what kind of people them at this damn place here. Oh, God man, Bokar 2 years up. Stabul!
Hello?
Yeah man. Look can you see how is what happened. Why are you looking?
And you want come?
What do you mean if me want come? You call me here, who else I can come? So hold on there, I want to know, where can I really calm me down at this hour of the night? I think say place about down the way you call me. What happened?
Well, if I did bone there, but no, you don't bother no so bad enough, sir. But you have to understand, sir. I feel like my life is being in danger. It is being threatened.
Threatened?
Yes.
Come on, come clear. Tell me what I want.
Sir, you have a tenant here, sir. She lives down at the end down there, so I don't even want to call her name. Sir, I'm very much afraid for my life.
Number 5?
Yes, sir. That same number, sir.
But I was here the other day, you know, because the calls when we get, is you making the call them?
Talk so loud when nobody hears me did that call, sir.
Hold on there. So what is the issue? Tell me what's happening.
Sir, shit.
She? I was here the last time because I did a gentleman. What do you mean by she? She who?
I can't level with you, sir.
Yeah, man, talk to me. What happening? What happening?
Look here, no. I am a man, you know.
Yes,
And
yes.
I am a man of certain stature. And when I am telling you that I don't believe she's a man, you know, sir. I don't believe she's a man. She rough. And she deal with me away. Right
No,
now.
Mr. She angry guy away still and in quiet the last time I came here and stuff. You know, so what this all have to do with you? You live here, so what happened?
Tenant brutality.
What?
I don't know what else to call it.
And this will come out of my bed for tenant brutality?
Tenant brutality,
Is there
sir.
such a word?
Sir, like we have police brutality, this is tenant brutality. The woman come up on my yard and would have killed me with... me.
That lady down on number 5 there?
You think I don't see that?
Listen, man, the last time...
Wicked.
No. Look here. When we get to understand, the gentleman of the problem, that lady there is so calm and nice and gentle. Every time I talk to her, I don't see what you're saying. So, and might not hear the problem. Are you sure, sir?
Calm, wait. Gentle how?
So, why you hiding in the house? So, what? You like a little meek, little... Come on, man, I push it. I don't understand you.
The last time I came out, me get a good piece of hustle. I don't intend to get another one. Because me pat them on fire, me have to watch it.
This come like a joke thing. I must joke it, a joke thing.
Me not making any joke. Landlord, I need you to get rid of her. I can't stay here, I'm living in fear. Me going in at 3 o'clock in the day because I don't want to see her. Me have to leave 4 o'clock in the morning because I don't want she come out come see me.
So what happened to the young man that you with? If you are tenant, you live up here, so, and you're going all through this now. What you want to tell me, say, him going through worse?
I don't want to win a hellfire, you know, sir.
And she don't seem that way. Somebody to say, you sure?
I don't know if I wrong side, you know. But, sir, me fi tell you, when she get off, brother, she come up here with a one piece of stick. Jesus Christ.
Hold on.
I don't know what else.
By the way, like she are coming out. I joke me, I wait, joke me. I test. So.
Don't do that.
All right, man. Hold on. I joke me, but he coming like some boy. Hold on.
Oh my God.
She's not coming back, but I will say for really something. Something not seems right.
It's hard.
It not seems right.
It's hard.
Anyway, so exactly what you want me to know. Just what you want me to do. Get rid of the woman?
Sir, you don't have no other house one next island.
Listen to me. That woman pay her rent up to the last couple of months, she depend on a little arrears. I don't know. I even should not explain this to you, but you know, I have to really deal with her about it still. But you understand what I mean? But
Don't take no more money. Get rid of her. Don't take your money.
all right, my boss.
As a matter of fact, we pay for she go on.
You pay for she go on?
You pay for she go on, sir.
All right,
Sir,
my boss.
I really can't take it. Right now, my back, my belly, and my foot are hot me. Every part. The woman would have killed me with liquor, me and our pick me.
And you're not there.
I'm not a woman. I'm not want she.
All right,
but
my
me even could have... Look here, no, man.
All right,
Please,
all right,
me, I beg you. Just
yeah, man,
deal with it now.
we get any matter, man.
And one other thing before you go. Please,
Yes,
me, I
boss.
beg you.
Yes, boss.
Under no circumstances, none whatsoever, call me name.
Bull.
No, Jesus Christ.
Wait,
No,
wait.
do not.
All right, cool.
Please. All right. Me pot.
This does
I'm
sound...
going to give me pot.
All right. This does sound right at Hello, Mikey? Who's it?
What am I? Oh, it's you.
Why you never learn it, man?
No, it's not about that, you know.
You never learn.
It's not about that, you know. You know, sometimes you really have to take things in serious.
And you depend your choice.
You have no way you can help me.
What am to you now?
No, call police and so.
Hold on.
But you come here, me understand, say, you're in a one situation. So what
yeah, but
tonight?
I need to talk to her. I need to, you know, I don't know if it's appropriate to talk to me about
Yeah, man, I can talk to her, man. Come, honey. Come, honey. Just take your time, man. And come to.
Anyway,
Me I go back inside.
How happened?
Yeah, man. You know, I mean, I come here and a couple issues, you know. I mean, I was called here, but apart from that, I take the opportunity for, you know, kind of talk to you about something still. And we know say you're a good tenant when you come on to your rent and so forth, but for the last couple of months, I don't know what happened. So, you need to say why I want to go on because you never know. Well, it's so late and then you owe one and then it turn over on the other one. What's happening, you know, and stuff.
See the man who send around here to me?
Hmm.
Me give him the money for you.
You give that man money to give me?
Yes.
I didn't receive any.
No, me give him.
You get a receipt?
No, he no give me no receipt. He say him will carry and give you.
And I'll know?
I don't know why problem.
Yes, and the next other business and so forth. You know, we only come here on 2 occasions. Either that rent or some complaint. And I get another complaint. I hear about him. No, I get a complaint about you. Which we don't normally hear and so forth, you know.
How you hear about me say?
Well, you know, it kind of sounds like weird to me because me hear say you're very abusive, not only to, well, we know should even say, but tenants here, people are complaining that you're very, very abusive. You're really... Me never call a name in a boss.
No, but...
Me never call any name. You understand what I mean? But to be honest with you, I get complaints say, you know, yes,
abusive?
as a woman, yes, very abusive.
How?
Well, you know, as a matter of fact, hold on there. What happened to your hand?
Nothing happened to my hand.
I mean, nothing happened to your hand. Your hand
Nothing
broke.
happened to...
No.
This hand is perfectly fine.
Well...
Talk it out. You need to run out there so for somebody and in drop.
Yes, something like that.
So, because all of a sudden nothing never happened to you and now you run out and drop.
Him the run off of somebody up there, so?
Well...
I mean, I asked him if him and Bull did they play football and he not tell me too. But I run, somebody tell me saying they run and he drop and broke his hand. Me have to give him money for God, doctor.
Well,
that idiot and he need to give him back my money.
Well, the long and the short and I really can't feel him thing alone still, but... Why I don't know how to do this, you know, but... As you say, I really... A Bull. Bull a complain about you.
Bull?
Yes, man.
What about Bull?
Bull a complain a lot, say you're abusive even towards him.
I lie Bull not tell, sir.
Listen.
I lie they tell Bull not stop come at me door and ask if my man over here and they beg me front. Yes. So if a front argument you come with say Bull they beg me front, it is true him attack. I true him attack, but true me not agree if they with him, into lie.
Why the man look timid and look scared of you the way I talk to him. Not even see me could have seen him good man.
You see some man, when them beg woman and then don't give them then tell life on them. Bull not stop. Go on in. Go on in before me shut your box. Go in. Go in.
So, hold on. So wait. So what you call that now?
That's my man. Me have right to put me hand on him.
No, but I mean...
Me don't know about Bull. Bull too lie. Bull have me up the front.
But you just... That not look right to me. I mean... That
no see when time he put his hand on me. That's how we play all the while. I ramp me and him a ramp.
So all this time I come here about the nice and the... I come in and call
so
this
we
man.
play and so nothing. We and my man don't fight.
No,
That's
man.
one thing. Me and my man live good. It's where we go get married and nobody can stop we from get married. We not have we no in no cussing and no worry. We are the best.
You sure about that?
Yes, we are best lovers in the lane. You'll propose to me, look.
No man,
something
something not fit yourself, something not right.
I jealousy people, them jealous and them
Something
bad
not
mind.
right here,
They
there's
no
something
like
not right.
see how we live happy and alright, so them are care news to you for we move from here so like so they can come break up relationship. But even if we move from here, so it's why we're gonna still together forever.
Fine, but as me tell you say, number 5. Every time I come here it's for some complaint or something. I tell you say, I'm not having it. And I go check with whoever you say give rent. I go check with him. And then if not, something just forgot.
But me not understand how he no carry the money come give because he say you send him to me for the money.
No, me always give and tell him who to go and whatever, but I did not collect any from here.
Well, he must
I mean,
have
I
gone
used to pay in
somewhere.
arrears. But, as me say, if me get any complaint again, sorry, but that's it. Because other people there road want place to live. And trust me, whatever we never go on here, so.
But me not owe you me rent, so me want to know why me have to go move.
No, listen me, it's not all that alone. It's something that I see for myself here. And it look like a really true. So, listen. certain things I can't take because all the complaint I was getting was about him. And when me hear, and when me see how other people say, you look like you are the problem.
Me go tell you something.
You look like it's you is the problem.
Can I say something to you?
I'm saying?
Yes, me hear what you say. Yesterday, man, the way you sent to me for your money, if he not give you, me not go give it back. Because me already give it to him. And a matter of fact, you know that I'm a good tenant and me always pay me money before the rest of people them and before the date. So me I go pay your fee next month even though it not come yet. You understand? Here you go.
Everything in there?
Everything in there. So go collect that the money there. 2 month rent me give man figure me a pay. This a time I me they pay before the time. So
listen,
no mix me up.
Anyway.
Please. You know I'm a good
night,
tenant.
but
I am a good tenant.
Yes, but
So,
you know something right there, okay, so. You threaten me about wife and I bring in an argument to you.
Then I don't lie me they tell.
It's alright.
Then look how much
okay.
you call me phone and I message
Call your phone for rent. Call your phone for rent.
Yes, man. Do
Alright.
it. Anytime you do it, look, you think you can make me left from here? Eh? Alright. Let me... How where the backside is? Mikey! No, sir. I don't lock the door. He could never drop asleep. I've gone broken neck, son. Mikey! Open up the door. No problem. Come here. Come here. Come out to me right so.
What me do now?
Just come out. You see how you mix up. You see you mix up.
Oh, me come and mix up now.
Because you don't chat too much and the carry on, name go on and come on, make a man come to me. You see you left the door open.
I know me and you.
You see you? And who come out from out there?
But you say if you come out.
So when you come out, you still look behind your door.
Me can't look behind me.
Me don't want to talk about that. You want me hand up your hand again? You damn idiot, you.
You see, so.
You see, make a landlord come to me. And you
I
and
know me, Kazi.
See how you use your mouth too much. Watch.
I'm going to sleep.
Hello? Yeah. Yes. What? Me? Me if you can't take counseling? How are you? Why me you want counseling? Your wife now want counseling. Sir, don't make me disrespect you. The woman them where you keep a road. You not think so they want counseling? I feel my business you want come in if you can counsel me. If me ever tell you if you go counsel your mama. Oh sorry, I know you may have a mistake me make or something me did that thing. What you say? Yeah, me hear. But why you choose to counsel me? Look how much people there in Jamaica where you can go counsel. And what's up? And who call my name to you? You say like how my mouth tastes bitter. Don't let me take out the pan you. What you mean now when me did a drink? That's enough for your business. Me need to drink nothing. See you start tell lie on me there already and me not even come for your counsel me yet. Me not shout yet. You hear me a shout? Don't tell a lie on Steve now. Me no come nowhere now. Me think about it. Anyway, later. Later, cause right now, me no in no mood to talk to nobody on the phone. You understand? Okay, sir. Me will try and see if me can get back to you, but me kinda busy right now. And me head no good. It's sick, it gone, it mad mentally, physically crazy right now. Not do me sorry, everything good man. Just come out of my business a little bit now. And my man carry my name to you? What you say? Yeah, keep up my time. Okay, when me get the time, me call you back. Who named Cindy?
You dream again?
You have Cindy, you have Sandy, you have Candy. Who you love did them so? Who you tell say you go call 6 o'clock and you drop asleep you don't get to call them? What is the problem? Yo, get up. Me no want you nothing from you. Get up.
Punsirita.
Talk up.
Punsirita,
What
what's the matter with you?
Want me hand up your hand? Want you. Eh? I wish girl that you promise to call and
When
she
you
drop
say
asleep
promise
you
to
don't get to
call,
call
what you
them.
talk about?
Eh? Okay.
Give me this. Punsirita, you have to stop at some point, Punsirita. What made you sleep? What's the matter with you? What on in your brain? Punsirita, it's about time you stop in a Punsirita. I want to dream again? Eh? Is it dreaming again, Punsirita? It can't go on so. No, but we don't sign business. No, no bother this today. Me not joke. It's not a joking time, Punsirita. Punsirita. Jesus Christ, man. No, sir. And you get upset with me every time me I talk to you.
What you put in this?
What you mean say put in this?
You buy water and put something in it, the mouth taste
Jesus
bitter.
Christ,
Why
man.
my mouth taste so bitter? Why my mouth taste so bitter? Okay, so you put something in the water for me take it in your left. Because you want to go there with girl where you tell time. So you go...
You know something you need some time by yourself.
You give them time.
Me think you need some time by yourself, you know. I think you need some time by yourself. You can't go on so. But they are sleep, that's a man just a lie. And you can't lick me. Do what? And I think about Cindy.
You see people drink water and them...
And me make your mouth bitter? And me put some bit in your mouth? Eh? Punsy, don't make your finger out of my head, Punsy. Suppose you lick me a while ago. Eh? Me not think say you understand what's going on, you know. You're too aggressive and angry. You feel say something no wrong with you? Right now, I believe there's something wrong with you. Because this aggressive anger where you pop me hand with. I'm still there with you. I ain't even consider that. Ah! You really hurt at me hand?
You feel it?
When me say me feel, I must feel it.
Nah, nah.
You know, sometimes I wish more aggressive just like how you're aggressive. Maybe don't learn that way then.
Come on, 5 bed.
I'm gonna take my socks off my foot.
Come on, 5
Eh?
bed.
When me say come off my bed?
Come off the
No
bed.
man.
Where you go?
When me say me I go?
Where you going?
She's a pretty much.
Come back right back.
No. Me alright. Just ease my pussy.
Come back. Come. You just get one phone call from one man where say I must be pastor or I'm a counselor. Say we must come to him for counsel. We look like we want counseling.
You know feel so we need counseling, Ponce?
We
Yes.
are you.
Me feel say you more than ever. Look on my hand.
What do you want?
Look how you do me. Look how me I sweat and me just wake up.
What happened to you, man?
No, you, Ponce Rita.
You cause to make your hand broke. I never broke your fist fight.
Look how you have. Look how you have one.
Purpose me broke it for. Purpose. Because the hand the way they use take up the phone to call the people them. They have to broke it so you can't use it again. You do right. You're not supposed to call
Listen how you talk.
nobody.
Ponce, listen how you talk, Ponce. Listen how you talk.
Me alone you're supposed to call a for me alone number and name to in your phone. Nobody else number nor name
What
nothing in your phone.
What time Pastor John
Only
say we come?
somebody.
What time Pastor John say we come? What time Pastor John say we need to go? What time Pastor John say? Me a call it. Make sure you're ready in 1 hour. Make sure you're ready in 1 hour because we need counseling. We need it. To take off my socks.
Remember say I never bathe yesterday. And the water when you use bathe, in my bathroom, make sure say you're going to throw it away.
Yes, so Brother Mikey and Sister Punsirita, thank you very much for coming. You know, I am always happy to see when couples or a couple, you know, just see counseling in any form of difficult situation. Normally, I don't meet with persons for counseling in this type of setting, but at the church presently, they're doing a little bit of renovation and too much dust, so we can't really go by the church. So, yeah, so that is that for that. As it pertains to, I notice if you notice, I have a camera here on my desk. I normally record these type of sessions for safety reasons and for reasons I can look back at it and identify. Brother Mikey, what happened to your hand?
You know, say it's fall, and you know, it's sprain. It basically sprain side.
All right, you have to be more careful, you know. As a hard-working man like yourself, you work on the garbage truck, you're gonna need your hand. Come on. All right. So let's start off by because first of all, you know, to get some clarification, you both have to tell me if there's any problem in the relationship. So I'll start with come on, we can start with you, Brother Mikey, first.
Well, Pastor Jones, this relationship that we are having right now, I think we deserve counseling. Well, I think she deserves counseling because of the way how she's dealing with the whole situation. I don't think she's understanding the importance of communication and talking and, you know, working things out as a couple. You understand? I think she's very angry, aggressive, and she doesn't feel like she's angry and aggressive, sir. So, you see, in my opinion, I want you to actually explain to her the importance of having a smooth sailing.
All right, so yes, Brother Mikey, thank you very much for sharing your for sharing. Yes, Sister Punsirita, I just listened, Brother Mikey, and what he just said. Is there anything that you want to add or you want to share?
Talking to me, sir?
Yes, sister, Conservator.
Don't touch me from...
I don't have nothing to say about this. Because me never want no counseling. I don't know why you bring me name to this man and make me come here so I sit down about me and get counsel. Me did tell you I want counsel. What me and you have? Me have anything?
Talk to the man, no, don't you talk to me for talk to the man.
Alright.
It's not me you're talking to, it's him ask a question.
Okay, Mr. Jones. Me and my man not having any problem, you know. So I don't think that I should have come to any counselor to get any counseling. Anything me and my man have, me think the two of us should have sit down and talk about it and get over it and done it right there. So why people are feeling in a film business call me and question me? Why not counsel me? How old am I here? Why you make, if me did ever know say?
Alright, Sister Punserita. Here's what. Calm down, cause calm down. Let me kind of explain, because you might have the wrong impression as it pertains to counseling. It does not necessarily mean that because you're having a bad relationship or you're having problems in the relationship, why you need counseling. Sometimes you just need counseling to see things from a different perspective. You know what I'm saying?
In what way, sir?
Alright.
Because if my relationship in a good relation way, why it go in a one bad way if you no call me, if you come to counsel me? I want to know why.
Sister Punserita, to be honest, I'm not going to say Brother Mikey is telling a lie or you are telling a lie. I'm not going to pick any side, but I mean for him
this
to...
is my man, sir. Me and him, they fit too much years. Me and him not have nothing. I love my man daily, weekly and monthly. Why you have problem with me? Make you have to carry me come here, sir?
Alright, you know what? I think it's best if I probably put the two of you apart and have a one-on-one with both of you.
No.
So,
He ain't too lie. He will tell lie. He have one, let me tell you, a matter of fact, since as you want hear the story with the mix up, you're going like me, you always a fight. Where you drop over there so like you're afraid me for. You idiot? Sir, he have one dirty friend named Bull. Sorry, a dirty. He have one dirty friend named Bull. You see the boy when named Bull, him a with next door neighbor. Every time me say nothing to him, he carry to the man there.
So you're actually saying that Bull is the problem in the relationship?
I'm going to tell you something. The man when named Bull, him a look me. And if me say to him as my lover, say this man, my next door neighbor, I look me, he should have rate me for that. He should have love me and know, say yes, my woman is trustworthy and she honest. She not keep no man with me. I worry you and worry me.
So I just ask you a question since Sister Punserita. Are you saying that Bull is the problem?
Well, as far as me concerned, yes sir, Bull is the problem. Because he look like I said, two Bull want me and he can't get me, Bull a carry me name to him. So him come in at night time with one bag of story and niggy in a maze and me can't take him again.
Oh. Alright,
you know, so
sorry,
look like him
I'm
on drugs, sir. Me catch him the other day, I take drugs.
Alright, you know what, Sister Punserita? I think the best thing to do is to have a one-on-one. You know what? Let me see, what time is it now? Well, the time for the council is kind of up, you know, so... sorry, we didn't come to a full conclusion, but next week, same time and possibly same place, we can meet and we can discuss, because I would definitely want to talk to you about one-on-one.
So sorry, you're not done talking. You save up until next week, but I cannot do it now.
Unless you want to step aside and let me talk.
You know, you know, say me I go have time next week to come back. Me have other things to do, you know. I may have you to deal with.
Alright, so Sister Punserita, you want to step away and let me talk to Brother Mikey?
Okay.
Alright, Brother Mikey.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to be honest with you. The relationship that you and Punserita have, I don't think this needs any counseling. Based upon the reaction of your wife.
No, it's not the wife, sir. Not the wife yet.
Okay, yeah. But so never mind. Based upon her reaction, I'm not the one who's going to try to destroy anybody's relationship. Based upon who she is, I don't think she needs any counseling. And I want you to be honest with me. She broke your hand?
Yes, sir. She broke my hand just because me I tell her something, sir. Me ask her a question, sir. She broke my hand.
All right. So that proves my point. What you need to do is stay far from this woman. She's very dangerous. As a matter of fact, she seems like she's crazy. You understand? And you as a man, you need to internalize and look in yourself and see where you are going wrong. Where you are going wrong, right?
Because you see, boss, me not come from a place where them much of relationship. And my mother has told me say if me start a relationship, make sure me can maintain it.
But the last time I said to you, if you see it all get physical road.
That's true, sir. You won't tell me, but it's just that me have hope and dreams and hopes that she can turn.
We had a hope for you, kill you. Listen, you have to be a man and stand up.
Yes, sir.
And I mean, I said stand up and beat her, but I said stand up and make sure I say, listen, Pastoral, this relationship not working and I'm going to walk away from it.
I think I'll go stay with my mother for one little bit.
Yeah, man, do that.
And take out myself from her. Right?
Alright, so when you go out, she'll probably want to come in and talk to me. Yeah. I don't want to talk to her.
You know?
Right, no, I don't want to talk to her. Tell her, say, it seems like me, I don't want to tell her I'm a man of God. But just find something to tell her.
I will see what I can do, but thank you for telling me. But I feel like this is it for me. I can't take no more. She broke my hand, and this damn man bull, he just a laugh off of me. But me hear bull a ball out, which day there, and my feel say she a beat bull too.
Well, it is very dangerous. I don't want she come beat, so take time and go on. And then you don't have to pay me for the session, it's free.
All right, Pastor Jones. Thank you very much for your time. You're Pastor.
All right.
Come in.
All right.
See it now. Ready? Action.
Subscribe to Public Report
Official.
YouTube channel. Make sure you share it to your family members, your friends, everybody who you know, share it to. Even if they don't have no YouTube.
Yeah, man, go on. Even if they're not on YouTube,
That's
share it and watch it. You know what I mean? If you're turning us, talk to them.
All right, one them, all right, night again, you see me? So, of course, you have public right here. You want to subscribe to YouTube channel 26,000. All right, we're trying to get him to 100,000 subscribers. But we want to know only watch the video. I want to press the subscribe button and like up the video. As my little sister here say, I want to share, you see me?
Share.
All right.
Share
Yeah,
is
man.
caring, right?
Guess what? Who there? No Patrick from Public Report introduced a movie Who the Pants Tree. And you know, so that one is not normal, you know. So call in all the family and friends and sit down on the TV. Like, share and subscribe, because that one here mad.
As your poem start, what that have to do with me?
In your smell front, you look in your look. No space, no.
Listen to me. You see you just come, You see that out here? You talk too much. As you come, you start talk. In your smell bad. In your this, in your that. I hope you know and say, like how you come now. At your age, you need to help clean up the place. You hear me?
I never been nasty up in here, you know. So me I clean it for.
And who are the mama? Me are you? You is the mother and me is the daughter. You is my ma. I am your mama. So you go tell me what to do and what you not to do and what you can do and what not to do. Listen to me, little girl. Please, me, beg you, just come. So just ease yourself and don't make it neighbor them here say you're there with me already. Make them figure out themselves and wonder who up there with me. You hear me? And let me tell you this plain and straight. Me have one man. You hear me? Me have a man and me don't want you to disrespect him. You hear me? Because if you disrespect him, all when me and him can agree, you're not going to like it. Listen to me. If, what me just say? You hear that if there? If you disrespect me, man, you're not going to like it. You they look at me, you see your yard enjoy, that's why I not like picking away grow too yard. Because see there, every minute you want to go pooper, and when you feel like say your father do something you not like, you want to come down on your mother. And when your mother do something where you feel say you not like, you want to go back a pooper, but then sitting there go cut out. So you see in this is one room here. Is me, you and me man. You understand? Yeah, get it.
So mommy, you can't talk about this and that. Who knows you are my mother? Look how long from me born and my father have me. Enough people don't know say you are my mother. You see all the anger problem, me can't work with you now. Because I same thing make daddy not run for so long. Don't look for me so come me have look like anger problem too.
Listen to me now. If you don't want to get me on the other side, you keep by your mouth. You see me one you already say you talk too much. Let me tell you something. You see the anger weighing on me? Is your father put it inside me. You hear me? Your papa put in on me. So if you come for me, take out the pan you. Continue to talk. Me a listen. Out harder. And that thing said you don't have to come do. Argue with me.
Me not argue with you.
And that thing tell you if you come do ring with me like me and your size. Okay. Well, let me tell you this. Me tell you already, I'm a wheel and come back again. It's me, you, and me man. And you take it for joke and the laugh, but it's serious.
Alright then. Since as me done already, can't make a difference. I'll try and see if it can work between you. But me everybody I talk about it. Me want to know. You still up on the pill them?
You too?
Me just ask cause me
You
hear
too
I
again
want
for your stupid brain from up at your stupid father. So you come down here now with your idiot mentality. You come ask me if me still the pan pill. You and your papa give me pill. You and your father give me pill. You see it? You see why you can't stay with me? You see why you don't damn blasted know me? Girl, if you ever open up your mouth too hard,
alright,
judgment take you in here.
come and pack up my clothes because I can't bother with the war and contention. If I scream at me, I'm going to scream back and I'm just being fear. So come and me pack up with me, I pack up and me we done. In your heart, I can't bother.
You just claim say you're big. You just come, guess what? Me I give you a chance. Me I go give you a chance. Me just watch you tip by tip, bit by bit for safer so you go be able. All when my man come in, if you think you're bad dog to me so.
Good afternoon.
How are you, my man?
What do you mean, say me and man? What kind of greeting that? Young girl, me tell you this. My name is Mikey, and me live
Mikey?
here. Yes. Yahoo.
You mean me a who?
Yahoo, me come see you upon my
And me a
veranda.
come to? That
Me
no
no come-
matter you me a who.
How old is this little girl? What is her name, by the way?
Me nah none.
You know none?
No, me man ain't give me none.
You're right, you tell me that. So, basically, you see...
What? Right
What
here,
fi
so.
happen?
Where you put the chair over here, so far? Over there, so my chair always there.
You know, see me, I charge my phone and I use it. That's why I put it over here, so.
Take up the chair and put it over there, so. Make the phone alone stay over there, so.
So me I get to use my phone.
Little girl, get up.
So you treat me in front of this?
How you call this?
So you really treat me in front of him?
Who you call this? Who you call this? Take up a chair. No look for me, so go in. Oh, Tada. You get to. You, come here.
Ponce,
Come here.
Ponce, me just a come in, you know.
Me call you, come to me, come
I
sit
take out
down.
my cast and everything because everything medication I work. Just easy, man. Me can't bear the violence right now. Me just
Me say if you come right here, so.
do I see anything, man? So
Stay still. Don't move. What kind of woman perfume they on this? Where get perfume from?
what you mean, sir? A doctor say me I come from them cut everything off of my hand and give me some different medication.
That.
No perfume upon it. No perfume upon it, man.
Which woman perfume you have
No
on?
perfume.
When me take off your hat, no put your hand back.
No perfume. What? Ponce Rita, that's easy, no, man. Every day I see him thing.
So doctor you go.
Me ask you a question. Who that little girl that?
Me ask you a question.
Who the little girl here?
Me ask you a question. One piece when they pay
Because it become my hand get a little bit better, it get stronger. So they give me more medication so me can actually have, you know what I mean? Me can use my hand. Because tomorrow I go back to work, I come back for the rubbish truck, Ponce.
Hold this.
Hmm?
Hold it.
I want now.
Who tell us if you go a doctor go make them take off the cast off of your hand without tell me before you go?
That's
Who
right.
tell you that?
So
the pin still in your hand? Or you take out the pin them out of your hand?
Ponce. Me never had no pin. Me don't know what you're talking about.
When your hand broke, then put pin in there, then they put pin in it.
No, none of that, Ponce. Ponce, just ease the man. Sometimes you overthink things at all times. Just relax yourself.
Where you coming from?
Doctor, then take off the of my hand, because my hand get better, and then say me can go back at work tomorrow. So me I go back at work tomorrow.
So are you and the doctor there? I want woman doctor. I fear perfume there on your clothes.
Ease and pity most. Why you overthinking and overreacting at all times?
I don't have no pity over you.
I'm asking you
and
now.
no mercy. Oi, don't move when me attack you. You're out harder.
Ponce Rita, listen to me I say.
So, what is for your mouth?
What means what up in my mouth? Eh? What you talking about? So what flip in my mouth?
So, I want woman doctor and a man doctor.
Ponce, just relax the Ponce.
That's why you smell like woman perfume.
Ponce, just relax, Ponce. If you know me go, you can run the tape, ask the people them if they want to.
Oi. Set yourself there so when me talk to you, don't say nothing. Wait till me done talk, then you talk.
You know, so I get tired of this, I get tired of this type of treatment.
Me give the bread food and put it down in your lap, hold in your hand. Take you. Hold it in your hand. Hold the bread in your hand. Say, I'm sorry, Poncinella. I will never put the bread in my lap again.
Ponce, me think something wrong with you.
What me say to you? I am
Ponce.
sorry, Ponce.
So, I saw you deal with me. What? So, this a girl I know.
I
How
am
she
sorry,
come from?
Ponce.
I am sorry, Ponce.
Say it 2 times.
I'm sorry, Ponce, I'm sorry.
I'm going to hold the bread in my hand.
I'm not going to
I'm now put it down again.
I'm not put it down again.
Now talk, hey boy, where are you?
Ponce, you really are coming with that again?
Don't talk to me like
Ponce,
that.
just ease
Don't
down.
talk to me like that. Shut up. Turn around.
Ah, no, you can't do that. You still can't do that.
Turn around. Me hot up your hand. You know, say doctor say it better so you can go up and
You
rub
have
it so go walk.
medication, yes, but you can't.
Medication. So you're the on medication too? Hey! You the on medication
So you
too?
really care medication, a conversation?
Shut up your mouth. Shut up.
Ponce,
Shut up. Shut up before me box you with the bread.
Ponce, with a girl, Because
Which
me
girl?
can't believe you have somebody in the house.
Which girl?
The girl in yellow dress.
You mean my daughter?
Are your daughter?
What you mean? For my daughter. Look her.
Me not look her.
You want me to freak you about her?
But your daughter.
My daughter, yes, I want.
But you went. You
It's
said like
me.
a joke.
Me say, listen to me now.
Mm.
It's me, you, and my daughter. You understand?
You never know say you have a daughter in a Ponce, so them are things that to me is a shocker right now, me I tell you that. So now you tell me say you have a daughter and me never know about this. I'm here there together for over 1 year and sitting.
Put back your broken around yourself.
You can't go around there. Me not trust you. Punch just ease the man. You come in the house and you give me bread.
If the doctor say you're on better, why you hide it?
Because me
You
afraid
tell me
for something gonna happen where you go pull it and it pull out. I want to go work tomorrow. I go back on the garbage truck tomorrow. So I know when you come create
So
no
you
havoc.
start work?
Me not start work yet. Tomorrow I start work back again. You not happy for me, Punsy?
Me?
Eh?
Happy for you? I mean, I know your wages, so you're going to get, a matter of fact, any money with them give you under the garbage truck, you better make sure so you get it and come give me. Me will give you out there when me want to give you. You hear what I say? If you ever think you're bad, check it and spend out there, not even 120. And listen, me know say I drive, you have to drive to work. I don't walk in distance. Just when you get your pay, you come give me. Walk, come home, not pay your fare out there, man, see the whole of it. Else you're not going to like it. You hear what I say?
Once me just come home one thing, I can have a sleep and relax myself.
Give me my bread. You look like you never your woman yard. Listen to me. Any money where you get off it, rubbish truck, garbage truck, any truck where you do, can come give me. You? What you mean? What that mean? What that mean? How much time me want you, Mikey? Hold up your head. Give me a hat. What you feel like?
Punsy, I can't bother with you, Punsy.
Watch me and you. Anywhere they go, you better hurry up, go on and come back before night come down. You hear me? I tell you before cock take off them drawers. I will. Hey, watch me and you. Watch me and you. Hello. And you better warn your friend when he bull. Because when I see bull, me and him.
Rosie, where cheese there? Every time I come up here, every man want cheese with them bulla. I can't do them. Sure. The man pay me, I'm so bulla, sir. Man for eat in the Rosie. When man come and some man to get them food, the man vex in the star. And then I laugh. You think I laughing thing? Rosie, me can't deal with them something here, man. Sure. Wait, they send you come and shop. Oh man, yeah, you may talk to you now.
Brother, I'm not talk to you, I'm to you.
So you have to manage now.
They give me a message.
I'm manage talking. You can't stay there. That's why I put you to kill you with the because he's not a man.
Yeah, back here up now, I can use it. Up there something. Yeah, up there.
I know what I want, I swear.
Alright, thank you.
You know what, I don't even make no call, you know.
How you do, person?
You don't have to talk to me, no, because while I'm going to my call to you, I'm going to say I'm going like you want to keep malice, you know.
Malice? I can't malice.
I'm not malice man, you know. I'm a man, you know.
Eh? Me hear Punsy Rita give you some lick round there.
Oh!
Some of them know you have
Who
voice,
you talk?
man. Yeah.
Punsy Rita can't lick me.
You have voice now.
What be man, yo, let me tell you this, you know. Me a man. Punsy can't put her hand on me.
All
You
right.
think, hey, I come in, yo. Hey, you better know what you're talking, you know. Because me tell you, I come in a beat woman, you know. Because if, hey, Punsy ever, yo, just know what you do, you hear?
The amount of bad in me here over that house there.
Yeah, chat him out,
Yeah.
man. How I'm here. You feel like.
I sure you know say Punsy angry. See? And you laugh off of me. At all times when you hear me and she down there. You know, say me, I laugh and me here.
Laugh after me for what?
Don't worry yourself. You come talk strong now.
How I'm here, man, you.
Look for you.
Yo, you look nice where you here. I drop my pot, drop off a fire and hot water, look hot oil burn me.
Hot tile bun you, you pot, not true.
So no hot oil burn me, man, you would see there, no?
Hot tile bun you.
See there? I see there. Hot oil burn me.
A Punsy beating that.
my youth.
Believe, kill and believe,
You
cure. You can't talk
can't
anything
come
you
and
want
talk them things about my youth. I want to see you.
Anyway.
Punsirita can't put her hand on me again. I put her hand on me.
Again. Yeah, man. Say-
No.
I'm going to tell you something. You're going to see less of me run on that spot there, because I think it's time for me to take a break. You understand? I can't bother with the nice. Because you know, only thing you do is come laugh, and have your fun. Yeah? But I'm glad that she give you a fine beating round there. See? Yeah.
Big man.
So enjoy your
Big
little
man.
time.
Stop tell people say Punsi put her hand on me now. Because Punsi not beat me. Me don't tell you a thing. I run and drop off my bicycle, dog. Just easy yourself,
Alright,
man.
anything you said.
I want to see my youth.
Anything you say, my boss. Alright,
Yo,
bull?
I want to
Enjoy your bulla.
Hey, just stop walk and spread my name about
It's
woman
your bulla,
beating,
Mr.
man. You
Bull.
alone you're a woman beating. You know?
Yeah.
That me I tell you.
You enjoy
I
it.
come a ball to man. What you are going to do, here? What you are going to do? I must set you up, you know. I must set you up. Watch. Rosie, give me one more bulla there.
Then watch ya. Why ma lock me up in here for man? Punsi, wakey.
Why not?
Pasiki, why me can lock me up in here, man? Me like a prisoner. Ma go out the door go catch the good fresh air.
How will you just come and call yourself Punsi? Where the key?
Come man, can't be like the long talking man. Just pull the pace.
Little girl. I'm here address me, your mother, as Punsi.
So
Punsi,
that's
you
your
say?
name.
Jesus God. But this a little girl that want me to lick him last him, you know. See nobody no find him, you know. Girl, if me lick you, if me slap in your mouth, anywhere you drop, nobody now find him, not even your pooper. So careful how you talk to me. You know, some I stand back of your father door. Because me and you and my man now stay in here, so you are rank with me. Look more you contact me so in front of my man when in the year. And then me and him in an argument. Sake of you? And that's how it go. So you go make up your mind now. What kind of life you plan to live in this place?
Alright. Mother, can you please pull the grill so we can go outside and get the air? In our house, it's very clustered and I cannot breathe properly.
I say apologize. I saw you apologize.
Why you want all in a life, girl?
You not gonna stay with me too long. You cannot stay around me too long. It look like say your father not tell you who you are play with if you want the key. You need to say, please, can I get the key to go outside? You not look for me and address me them kind of way there. Because you don't know who you are play with. Ask for the key properly.
So what could have caused me to beat me?
Me say fi ask for the key properly and not give me no chattings before me start getting.
Pull it gate, me go out.
You're
You
not
want a little ear?
You're not going to go out. I say you ask me for the key. Well, you're not going to go. Stand up this
So me not just say it a while ago, you want me say it again?
Hello, your father not teaching no manners in my seat. You don't have no home
But me
training.
just say it a while ago, you want me say
Listen,
it
shut
again?
up! See there, yeah, it's a teacher for me. Me is your mother, so you not grow with me. Because then tell us send me the
We don't know that,
medication.
you know. That's how we are here say. We don't know for sure.
Then tell us send me the medication and your mama mad. So, hello. It look like you want to start get some of the medication too. Or you need to find back your papa yard. You want some of the medication too, because if me lick you. You're not going to go on medication, you're going to go ward. 10th floor. And that you have to know. If you need to go outside, ask for the key properly. Else you're not going out there. You're bright. You're going to stand up this until tomorrow morning. Because I'm not going to give it to you.
Alright, mommy. Can you please open the gate so we can go outside and get little ear?
I go open it, you know. But me not feel open it, you know. So nobody thinks that me an idiot when me open it. Because it's a skill of attitude. They ask feet. We don't want attitude. But guess what? I say you there. So we find out who you're there with. Hold on, you just come. You just come. Careful, because you're not going there for long. It's like here. I don't want to see you with the no talk. You still attack with attitude. But me I'll let you out. One, and make sure say you come back in my house before what? Before what? Night.
Yes. So I'm here. Hello, young lady.
You look like something happened to me.
So why you behave so? What is wrong with you, young? I'm just asking you how you doing. That's all I say.
I'm answer you. You look like something to me.
You know if you behave so, young miss, you lost.
You look like me lost.
My God. So.
If me no last minute, I can't find back me way.
Oh, my apologies. What is your name, young lady?
That no matter you. Me nah know.
Jesus.
Me near me.
You're born and die son.
Yeah.
So you dark, sir?
Excuse for in front me.
This who you come to? Just that one
How
question.
that matter you?
I just want to know who is your parent because really, I don't think they're doing a good job enough. Who is it?
Sorry, it's my mother.
Jesus Christ. At two of them? I'm calling this landlord right now.
Yo! So much apple drop off a tree. Something alright. Come on it! Quick.
Uncle Jason.
Move fast! Fix your face!
It's Uncle Jason.
You always a call and tell me say you're hungry all. Watch apple! Watch apple! And you call and tell man say oh yo! Hey boy! We all laugh with.
I told me tired of
I don't know ramping thing. Food there, sir. Bro, this really got me upset. Nah, look at me. I'm dead serious. Every week I'm sending a Western Union. And you tell me say your belly a touch your back and anything there.
True, sometimes I really eat apple too much now because apple ruin my belly.
All right, move. Take care of yourself. My call Uncle Mikey.
Yes, sir, Mr. Landlord. What?
Money, call me. Hello?
Yo, Mikey. I just pulled up from Atlanta, man. I'm in town, but I've been hearing some crazy stuff. Where I done you? Me here say, woman, I beat you.
Hold on.
So who tell them something?
I couldn't Mikey when me knew. I couldn't Mikey. Mikey, woman, I beat him, sir.
So you laugh for me?
So where you find her?
So who tell them something, sir?
That's crazy, man. I'm up in Atlanta. I'm listening. They talking about my brother. They saying this is what's happening to my brother. They saying even it's just unreal. I had to come and see it for myself. When we are gonna meet her? Joke thing, Mikey.
Everything good, man.
In all seriousness, we were not raised like that.
Yeah, man. That you say. Few man in a raise, sir. Mm-hmm. Something for the beat, man. If you put me on a woman, is that what you're trying to tell me?
No, that's real talk. What'd you say her name was again?
She named Poncerita. Poncerita, she named.
Poncerita! Yeah, somebody named Poncerita beat you! Mikey!
I just not understand Poncerita. That's the biggest problem. Nobody understand Poncerita.
Mad!
No, man. Everything good.
All right, bro. I'm sorry, but I'm just not used to it. So we'll link, and if we don't link, we'll connect another time. All right, bless up.
All right, later. That is it. I come call me, I come talk about this and that. Ponce. How many getting a Ponce? Why you lock up your gate and me just tell... Ponce, could you please open the gate for me, please?
Nice. God. You see how me there so in a good mood. And the devil send one of his followers come to contaminate me. Me lock the gate. And them a force me to open it. Wonder why. I must see police. Me do something wrong. Where you do this so? Where you come about?
Ponce, I want to go back to sleep. Ponce,
go back away sleep. Where they come from?
I come from the road, up a shop. Go.
Come from which road? I look like you start drink and sing thing. You turn, okay. So are you a rumhead?
What do you mean rumhead?
Are you Tony rumhead now?
You smell rum for me?
I shit me and smell.
Ponce, I always exaggerate everything.
I rum me smell.
No, I drink one beer. Me drink one beer and that was it. I take my time come now. Cause me tell you already, Ponce, tomorrow me I go tomorrow me I go back at work. For the rubbish truck. So
wait there, hold on there. We are exalt yourself and exaggerate your little dirty self on the road or this about you they drink and they go on like you're smaddy. And I take yourself down one piece apart. You hear that people can call up my name about them kind of dirty man them there with. You're fool.
Please.
And when don't
let me just go sleep now. I have to go work tomorrow. Let me go lie down now, Ponce.
Go lie down which part? Go and go lie down in a rum bar where you did there.
I'm not there in a rum bar. Up a Rosy shop me there a while ago, I'm just buy one beer.
Before you care what my money come give me when you get your pay, you take it and go drink rum, and me you're supposed to get every money where you work. You're not supposed to use none.
Ponce, you feel easy sometimes, no Ponce, and stop blow things out of proportion. Let me in and go sleep, me I got work tomorrow. Come
Guess why a man like you have to get bun?
Right now.
Because you're irresponsible.
Right now
you're not act responsible because if you have one woman in your yard and you go to go get paid, whether you pick up rubbish, whether shit or whatever, it no matter, you get paid and you have your woman. Me are your first priority. Where the hell you catch a rum bar? So a rum bar is your first priority in your real life.
Listen.
So me come last.
No, that's not the reason.
So me come open up door and let you in.
Ponce, that's not the reason,
Ponce. You come blowing on my face with your thinking rum breath.
And your rum for the last time is a beer me drink cause
so
me have a little
beer
vibe.
That I first from me know myself, me know say beer can't so strong like a rum.
What do you mean beer?
Which beer smells so strong?
I don't know how you smell it cause one
no,
beer me
drink.
drink.
No, but I tell you like on the beer them, you're a damn liar.
Ponce.
In the wilderness, you're too damn lie.
Ponce, just let me go sleep, the man go lie down and sleep, Ponce. You make everything a blow.
Alright, you want to come in? I'll go and let you in. You see this? You see if you want one of these, you have to go have manners.
What do you mean manners? Me and man and woman. What you talk about? You think you're picking your talk too? You have to stop them style there.
Why not shut up on me?
The mentality there, I got a problem with me and you.
Listen before me start fight. And I eat the run back. Listen. You see this key here? As me tell you before, if you want one of the key here, you have to go have manners and respect. You hear what me say? So before me give you one of the key here, pass and go in.
You make me sound like I want a 3-year-old.
Pass and go in.
Think good, man. What now?
What is smell so?
What do you mean?
You smell of shit, man. You tap a bush and shit. Like the rum where you drink and run your belly.
Something wrong with there, you know. Something wrong with there. I just go up and go drink one beer and I was me and shit. Nobody the push,
you know what? Go on in go bed. Go on in go bed. And don't get me from the wrong side.
Sweetheart.
Eh? Want to you?
I have something more to show you here.
So come now, want to you? Your face look like I see you in a pin or something. You want one of them over there in or something?
No, yeah, but you have to lock the gate first.
So you have running belly?
No, you have to lock the gate first.
Why me feel lock my gate? You can't come here and come see me gate up man and tell me to lock my gate. Who
I
you?
want to see what I show you in a Punsy.
You have something to show me?
I have something to show you,
So come show me no me out me gate for you come show.
No. I'm drunk. I'm no fool. Punsy, you have to lock the gate first, man.
Bull, you hear when me say bull? You have something to show me on your phone? Me have to open the gate for you come show me it.
No, me can't get you a grill.
I want make you have babes, so I want to you. You have hardbound?
Me not easy to get things in a Punsy. How to say nearly kill me with like Punsy. Be careful.
Then why you act like you constipate? Hey, look here, you have hardbound?
Just for me safety, please.
Me gate, you idiot. If you show me something, I must keep the gate open for you show me. That what cost this now?
Push it through the grill. Don't push it through the grill.
You push it through the grill.
You go want to see this.
Alright. Come show me, come. See it there. See it there.
Punsy.
Alright.
Yes.
Me lock the gate.
You lock? Now take out the key.
Eh?
Take out the key.
Me feel take out the key too?
Yes, take out the key, Punsy. Take out the key.
See it there.
Give me key.
No, me not give me key. Me not go give me key.
Alright. Throw it in our house then. Put it in our house. Just put it in our house and slide it underneath the door. Just cool up. I want to show you in the Punsy. Hot. It's hot. Jeez. Please, you want to see this, Punsy? Punsy, come
You
now.
say if I joke here now with me?
Me not joke. What kind of joke you talking about?
Bull, you see, me dey warn you, if you ever call me and show me no foolishness,
Punsy.
you're not gonna like it.
See.
You hear me and tell you?
Punsy, me not lie to you. Punsy, you want to see this?
So what make you can't show me 2 years old? What make me see?
Me I go, no, me want to put your phone in your hand. Me no want to hold it. No. Just put on your key, no, Punsy, man. Yes, put your hand on it. Yes, good. I feel better now. I go give you the phone. And give you the phone, alright? Alright, I go find it and then I go give you the phone. Alright. Punsy, I go tell you this now, you know. Help me help you.
Let me take up my key, man. Where you waste my time for?
Watch you know. But me have to look for the right one, give you. I right one, me look for 50.
Then not so much me I go show me?
No, a one
some
me
right and some wrong.
One sit me I show you, Punsy. But I because the boy.
You know say I want mix up bull.
Sita. Come now, Punsy. Come now. Me I go give you the phone here.
Come up here so come.
Punsy. Hold the phone.
Come right here so come show me.
No. Hold it now. You see me I give you it here. Take it now. Punsy, take your phone now, man. Take it now, Punsy.
No one come out and you show me where the phone.
No. We have come out. Go. Come now. Take your phone now, Punsy.
Why me can't come outside to take the phone from you? You're all nervous. How
I'm not nervousness, man. Just take your phone now, Punsy. Take it. Take your phone now. Punsy, just take your phone now, please. Punsy, just take your phone now. Alright, Jim. Alright, Punsy. So, just press play and you see what I want. Just press play and you see what I want. The boy up there, so. Bull video him, me, yes. Video him, man. Yes. Look on this, man. Look on it. Up there, so. Right at your gate. Don't see. The boy up there, look, man. And a chap, oh, you're not nobody. And let me sit in there. And I say, but this boy, you're disrespectful and rude. You're not afraid of God. I say, Pussy, how are you kill him with lick? This time I don't want him, no one hand, bro. No, you mash him down.
Bull, I want to talk to you.
What for what?
I want to talk to you about something.
But what you not look on the phone? iPhone me, do you want to talk to me for see evidence there?
I want to talk to you.
See, no talk.
Bull.
Yes, talk.
I want to talk to you before we go attacking.
No.
But I don't want to talk to you here, so.
So you want to talk to me?
Outside.
Hey, no, Pussy, keep your phone. Keep your phone.
Say you don't want back your phone?
No, you must do what? Talk to me from right there, sir. You know, have me pulling grill Punsy. Everything, Chris. We buy a new one tomorrow. Everything, Chris. Call it my Christmas present here. See it? I don't want no trouble. I don't want no trouble. But I don't think the boy had you with your right in a Punsy. The boy had disrespect you, Punsy.
Bull, come here.
No, but no.
Bull, come right
You
here.
do what?
Bull, may I ask you one question?
Yeah, watch it.
Personal question.
Hold on there, Punsy. Hold on there. If you don't hear it, me hear it. And me sound like God call me. I promise you. As soon as me go
Then
look
from
at
them the time there, until now, God a call you and know you can't reach. Bull, come out of my yard. Come on, go on. Go on. Me not even want to thank you for this, because you see, anytime me catch him,
oh, yes, him. Yes, Punsy.
Bull.
Respect, man. Yo,
anytime me catch him, all your phone me a mash up in my head. So nobody plan. See, I go get back this phone.
Keep your phone.
Go on in your yard.
Watch it now. Let me hear everything what go on here. Let me hear everything. Keep your phone here. Jesus Christ.
Ay, sir. Come like this, a boy, I don't know who in the play with, Father God. When me just find this dirty mouth boy, the whole line teeth them black like a tar. Me carry him go a dentist. Me take care of him, give him clean sheet, clean bed, nice clean food for eat and nice clean place to sleep. Hey, and I diss him I go, Bull, you know some me don't like you, but me thank you. Everything good all when you're gone. But you see all the one, Bull. You see all the one, Bull. All when you show me this, remember say me, you know, plant peas a line. So all when you're gone and you not hear me, anytime me buck you, you're not gonna like it because you, Bull, I want a problem them in my life. So a friend, you come and friend me up, I come this and that and show me phone and all kind of foolishness, tira, what's it not. Everything good, you're gone. You're gone. Take up my key. And me run this a place here, and I know dirty thinking boy we can turn up a roadside, can chat to no girl. You know what? I'm not even bother go, they go call Bull, you know. Put me key in my pocket. Because you see this here, this a video here, a evidence. You can't see no him. Anytime me go in there, me and him clot. Because I not go through this. This a luck. Feel good? Oh.
Oh, I'm Punsy. Punsy.
You think you can trick me?
What you mean trick you?
You think you can trick me?
About what?
Eh? You feel said this a girl that when named Puncinella. You can trick? Eh? Punsirita straight down to Puncinella. You can never trick her. You feel say me an idiot. You think me no hear about what you do and see it too.
What me do now?
You feel say me a clown. A clown you want come clown me out.
What you talk about? What you talk about?
My youth. You know that phone yeah?
I no that phone.
You know how to phone this?
No, I don't know how to phone that.
Okay, alright.
Look like a bull phone, sir. What you do with bull phone?
No, you know how to phone the country. Alright, anyway. Look on this. Look on that. Watch it. Watch it. Eh? Watch it.
Punsy. Punsy, wait a Punsy. What is Punsy? Punsy, just easy, Punsy. Punsy, just relax, no, Punsy. No, look, me have an explanation. Punsy, relax. Punsy, just Punsy, relax. Punsy, relax. Look, relax. All right.
Talk fast.
Look for the video and look for the timing. Look for the time of the video. See? And look here. And look who me I talk to. Punsy, look now, Punsy. Punsy, look who me I talk to. Me I talk to my brother. And my brother me I talk to. You see time of the video and look for the time of this here. When the person record it. A bull always a try to set me up, Punsy. You can't believe bull. Punsy, look how that's a Punsy. Look how that's a Punsy. Punsy, me that foolishness, Punsy. Means not what you think negatively, Punsy. Bull a try mash up me and your relationship. Why you keep on a believe, bull? Look at so. You remember you tell me say you want 12 panty? Eh? And 12 blouse? Eh? Me have to buy them for your Punsy. So when you talk about me I drink beer and all these things, when me go to doctor, me get everything for you.
All of this are for me?
12 jars and four blows. What you say upon the veranda say you want. So I don't know why you think negatively of me at all times, Punsy. Eh?
You love me for true.
Let me say if me love you for true.
You love me for true in a real life.
So,
Oh God.
stop the pushing with a belt, man.
Nah, lick you again.
And stop doubt me.
Nah. I'm sorry.
I wonder why me constantly. Because me know so you're a nice person, Punsy Rita.
I'm so sorry for everything. My sister a bull one man. What be like? Sorry, me think
Well,
you
that's
want me to
suspect.
give me.
Me not get no bun.
Me think you never want me. And a bull phone. Bull phone.
You know say when me say bull up at the bar, up at the shop, you know. And me say bull up at the shop. I want bull up there eat, and anytime bull eat bulla, he had a choke, right? And he just have to go in somebody's business because he's alone up there.
Never know say I say you did love me, you know, you buy gift for me.
What you mean? You tell me say you want me and listen to you in a Punsy.
Never know say you did I go do it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Get me some water,
Punsy.
Punsy.
You want water?
Give me some water.
You sure say you go water you want?
Only liquor water.
You don't want no juice nor nothing?
No, miss water.
Alright. Love you, baby. Me go feel water and come back.
Alright.
Here, me never give you no pipe water. Me did buy some spring water from the shop so you can have one.
Alright, thank you, mama. You say, Punsy, is about time we start live good now, yeah?
Me ain't gonna live good as from today. A bull want mash up with life.
That me I tell you.
No say a dirty bull a problem. Me nah have nothing to do back with him again. A matter of fact, me nah chat to him again neither.
Alright, and let me stay because he just love people business, yeah?
Mix up.
Me I get some rest because I
cook
tomorrow.
some dinner for you when you wake up.
I say tomorrow me I go work, Punsy.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, and you go wake up here, you know, because I know when you're late to go work. Love you, darling.
Alright, love you.
You see that phone, yeah? You think me should have give back bull?
You must give me a piece of phone, but no, I don't want you around there. Throw it over the yard.
I go back on yard.
Throw it over.
I go back a bull yard again and
Yeah,
I
go
talk
over
back to him again. You
Alright.
give me yourself. You want game?
Yeah,
Or me can give somebody for
give somebody for game. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Me I cook some food for you. Love you, honey.
Yeah, love you, mama. Today gonna be a good day. I put on me.
Baby, I left your uniform.
Eh?
This something if you go over your clothes when you work up on the garbage truck.
Oh, you can't come to me.
See here. I don't want you to forget it, you know.
Well, I'm put on my shoes first.
Put on your shoes.
So what you gonna do today? You cook today, Punsy?
You cook one nice dinner for your man. Put in your hand. My hurt up your hand. Never say it break. Alright. Wait there. It look like you not set good. Alright. Alright, I'll give you one key. But not now. But open the gate and feel how it feels to open the gate by your own. Half of your own, by your own self. Me have to cut one key and give you later. Yes. How you feel?
Feel nice, man.
Feel nice?
Feel nice.
I have to give you one key later. So, you got to work now?
Yeah, man, I gotta work and I'll wait for me.
So, come give me a hug now.
Punsy, me know say you're a nice person, you know. A lot of people don't understand this side about you. You understand?
No, so I love you already. Alright. Oh God, you're hot. No, not take up it, not take up it. Let me take up it for you. You're hot trap. Let me take up it for you. Hey, see it there? And I make no girl look on you.
No girl look on
you. Know, I love you bad.
The Punsy say you're my number one.
You mean? Me have to be your number one. Take care, baby.
Alright, later, yeah?
Come home for your nice dinner later. Where you want, shrimp or lobster?
Lobster!
Okay. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye, babe. Watch me and the one dirty bull. Him think him a get way? Watch me and him.
Who that? Who is it?
Bull!
Blessed morning, Punsy. What happened to you? You're not alright. So,
Come over here, son, and shade.
Punsy,
Come out of the sun and come in at the shade. The sun too hot. Me and a friend.
pat pam.
Yeah, but come, you ever the cook. That's why you're big, so come. Come here, me talk to you about something. Come on.
Punsy, when you like a Sunday, you know?
I know.
So you not going to church?
No, man. See church when me go? Pastor said the bench ain't full if you come back the big Sunday. Come right here, so. Come here.
But me go get ready for go to church. What's the thought now?
So me a think. Oh, come. You just remember when me come to you about. Yes. Come here. Come here. Yeah, friend, come here. You alright?
Alright, Punsy.
Eh?
Alright.
You alright?
You alright?
Me? Me never alright.
Jesus.
Me? You alright. Bull, you are mixed up.
Me, Punsy, what you talking about?
Bull.
Put me show you up on the phone.
Bull, you are blender.
Jesus, what me do?
Bull.
What me not do nothing? Punsy, me not do nothing.
You come like dirty water and cake soap. You bull.
Punsy, me get it.
Bull, I make you want to mash up my life.
Me, Punsy.
Bull.
I should make sure the boy don't love you.
No love who? You idiot. My man love me. Bull, me see front of day say, you want me. You bull. I can't try to make me and my man split. And we separate and we not there together sake of you.
No,
Bull,
Punsy.
after you see me man a chat to him brother.
Yes.
Eh?
Who?
My man. They talk to him brother. You they set up me man. How him a woman there. And him a look different woman and he no want me. And he they tell next woman say then the woman he love is not me. Bull, who you? Who you?
Brother, a woman in there talk to Punsy, Miss Fury say I love him.
Bull,
Punsy.
you can't tell me nothing, you're no idiot. It's when me sick on the phone. You is a liar. Bully, me never know. Bull, me know say you come like a sugar and salt, you know. But me never know say I say you mix up for real, you know.
Hold on, Punsy, man. Me am sitting there to tell you.
You want next thing to tell me again?
Yes, me am sitting there to tell you.
Talk.
Me go upstairs see your phone. Me go upstairs see it. And come back and me go show you
Me
again.
want to see your little dirty broke up phone where you tell me say you don't want and then send somebody to me feet. Eh?
Jesus, yeah. No, Punsy, what you do that for?
He's a
Punsy,
wicked.
what you do that for?
Bull,
Me never ready.
what make you wicked?
No, Punsy.
Don't go down.
Something wrong with me knee. Me dog there. Punsy, me sorry. Me lie. Me's a liar, Punsy. Oh, God. Me's a liar. No, Punsy. No. What you did me so? Me a big money, no. Punsy. What you did me like me a pretty. Jesus Christ, brother.
Punti, me soon come back.
How you think you go?
Me I go out the gate and come
Where
back.
you think you there go?
Out the gate and come back.
You know no manners, you know?
Sorry.
Who you talk to on the phone, by the way?
And my friend me I talk to me, I go out the gate and come back. Come now.
You not even have no manners that we are rank with.
Oh, me I ring quit. I'm just telling you me I go out the gate and come back.
Girl, go on. Come me see what you make out of.
Girl, how are you there?
Daddy, me I come man. Well, like in there a long time.
Girl, how your face look, so?
How my face look?
As a matter of fact, I know where your face come from, you know. Punch over there.
Yes, she over there. You want to see her?
No. As a matter of fact, see your bag here.
So you check your bag, give me so. Couldn't you answer? Big head.
You're damn right if you don't want to answer. You, Patrick, you me the talk. Oh, you fi just come on me gate so and come get Angel bag. You feel some me that she pass me go out like a big woman and come in back past me with the bag. Me know the bag there. And you bring the bag come. So you did call her on the phone and call her out of the gate and give her bag. Okay. That's why she feels that she a big woman in here, so but you better make sure so you see anytime you talk to her on the phone again, you try to tell her to have manners. Because whether she grow with me or not, she needs to have manners because we will lick her in her mouth. Patrick, you make she stay so. You make she stay so. And you tell her how me dey on medication and how me did mother and one hip or something. What is the problem? And your dirty girl where you have, your butterfoot girl where you have mad me, and that's why me and you left. Yeah. Me no want to hear nothing from you. I don't want to hear nothing from you. You're too out of order. You can't come at the gate. No respect. You not even come and say, alright, me dey out of the gate, send Angel come or you come in and talk to me. Me not look you, me don't want you back. Anything me put down, me not pick up your back. You're garbage to me right now. Me look bigger fishy fry. You're an idiot. What you say? Ugly like your dirty thinking girl. You're bright. Who ugly? Me? So when you did just me, you never know say me ugly because you don't know the whole of my prettiness and left your ugliness. So somebody else find the ugliness and turn in a prettiness, you vex. You're lucky. Me nah do no surgery sake of you. You're an idiot. What? Look here. You and feel like a dirty foot girl walk this, you know. Because from me by the 6 underpants them give you them you the wear same way. You still a wear them, I know you're not change them. You can't chat to me. Patrick, you me the talk. Oh, your woman decide that you, that's why you can't open your dirty mouth. Okay. Well, I know that. Tell your girl to take your phone for your answer. Let me broke up her. What? Don't go there, because you know you can't put your hand on me. That's why me you couldn't agree. That's why you have to left out. The same bag when me pack your clothes them in. And you find one next yard. Woman take you up and have you in the house. You feel say you is this and you all that. Wait till she dash you out, because that girl have another man for you. Yeah. What you say? That the girl there kill you with bunch, she no want you. And me no want you either. Because of your dirty ways then when you have your oar like what? Come on, you look at Patrick, come on for my phone. Damn bright and feisty. Come back at me gate again and see. Angel! Come here.
What happened? What me do now?
You feel some idiot? So, your dirty pooper come and call up on phone out of the gate and you go call it back and come in back. And he make you stay so. And he make you stay so and make you feel so you can come here so come talk to me.
That is a really call.
See him how your pooper did nasty, I saw you nasty. Go on in. No manners. I'm going to send you back up at your pooper yard. You're bright now. You slam door. Wait, up at your fire go back with them the attitude there. Oh.
Step back and laugh.
Yeah, I forget the relax, come on, girl.
Relax. This me get back to my back. Well, step back and just no what. If the father, action.
Your father look like him not said you kaboom. You are playing me.
Jesus Christ. Come in, man, like that done, girl. Just Jesus, take care and look with, take care and look with. No, but when I beat here, set up. You understand? Look. Hello. You understand? So if you laugh, you can come back. Action.
It look like say your father not tell you.
You tell yourself, look where, man.
Look where.
Yeah, you have said so. Look where.
Oh, what me?
Yes,
oh,
and look
that's
where.
what me.
Yeah, but you
Yeah.
can't make the camera.
No, I'm not looking there.
But that one I give you one kind for ease of a face.
Like,
so.
you know, like a shame and you do
Yeah.
something. But not make the camera picture of you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Action.
It look like say your father not tell you who you are play with. If you want to go outside, you need to ask me, please, mommy, can I get the key to go outside?
Come on in. Take his yo, no.
No, you know how for phone the coach. Alright, anyway. Look on this. Look on that. Watch it. Watch it. Eh? Watch it. Eh? Watch it.